Good morning, good afternoon, good evening once again, and welcome to the Day Trader. My name is Martyn Lucas. I go live here every morning for the opening and closing bell. We are a community of people all around the world who share our honest trades with you, our real money, our real positions. Everything you see here is real. Excuse me. That's better. What a start to the morning. Straight off the bat, I'm not a financial advisor. Everything you see here is real. In fact, I'm the world piano man. As you can see from my TV studio here, I go live here most days and sing live concerts from my TV studio. But during the daytime, I like to trade, invest. I long-term invest, I day trade, I swing trade, whatever is right to grow my portfolio for the future. So everything you see here is real. We've got an amazing community, one of the best communities on YouTube. People who are loyal to the show here every day, sharing their trades, helping you, supporting you. And in return, I'm here every day with you, and I also give back lots of gifts. For example, I give away some Bitcoin, I give away some stocks and shares. Brokerages give me stocks and shares to promote their brokerages, and in return I return that to you. In many cases, we have also on Fridays we have a cash giveaway as well. So we have a cash giveaway tomorrow live on the show. You do need to be on YouTube though. If you're watching me on TikTok, if you're watching me on Facebook, if you're watching me on Twitter, or wherever you are, you need to be in YouTube, and the links are below. Wherever you are, come and join us. All right, let's get straight into our position. Our trades this morning, here we go. On the hour, we're down 0.12. Oh no, we've just refreshed. Okay, we are up on the hour, 0.09. That's good to see. That's unusual. We've not been seeing that for a while. Let's go now straight over to the trading screen. Here we go. All right. As you can see on the day position, we are up 0.8. Now this happened yesterday and we thought, okay, we're starting to recover. And then all of a sudden things started to drop again. So we won't get too excited right now. We've learned that lesson from yesterday. Let's bring in the tickers now, the latest prices around the world, what we're looking at. Here we go. Let's bring them all in now for you. And here's all the information you need on the screen. These are all the prices and the stocks we're following. As requested by our members of the channel. Right, let's get straight into it now. Let's have a look where we are right now. Up 0.84 on the day. Okay, we've got 27 minutes before the pre-market begins, so it's a positive start. Let's look at Tesla. Tesla is up 1.7. So that's good. The chart doesn't show that, of course, because the chart hasn't refreshed yet. It will refresh in 27 minutes, okay? But we're up 1.7. What about Rivian? Up 1.95. That's good. What about Virgin Galactic? Up 0.88. Now, today, we're looking for a trade on Virgin Galactic. We did actually make a position yesterday, and we bought another 13 shares. We've now got 933, but we bought 13 shares yesterday at 920, which we want to trade. We want to make some profit out of all this doom and gloom on Virgin, because I want it to be said, when people say you can't make money out of these stocks out of falling, you can. You just have to buy the dips and then buy it when it pops up. No matter how small it is, a profit is a profit. And to be quite honest, today, the way it's been going, if I make $1 out of it, I'll be happy. So I will tell you that right off the bat. Totally, I'll be happy if I make $1 today. Seriously, I know it sounds ridiculous. I've got 20% of my portfolio in Virgin Galactic. I've invested somewhere in the region of $20,000 with Virgin Galactic, and right now it's only worth $8,000. $1 is $1, a profit is a profit, and that's fine. You've got to split up your positions between trading and investing and swing trading. And the whole things, they're all different. GGPI is up 0.54 this morning. What about Lucid? Lucid is up 3% this morning. That's great. Not showing yet on the chart, of course. Robinhood is up 1.37, so we are getting some good news this morning. Peloton is down 2%, that takes it down again. PayPal is down 0.25. Immersion is up 0.58. On is up 0.83. Rolls-Royce is flat. Barcode trading and the algorithm, of course. Boeing is 0.13 up. Apple is up 0.52. Google is up 0.68. Coca-Cola is up 0.25. EVGO is up 0.48. Canf this morning, we brought that into it as well. We've only got literally a couple of shares in this for a bit of fun. It's a bit of fun, nothing really to talk about there. Ethereum, 1.36 and lifting. In the last few moments, we're getting some Ethereum bounce back. That's good to see. Dogecoin, same thing, up 1%. Bitcoin also up 1.2%. That's a good bounce this morning. Look at that on the hour. On the hour, all of a sudden, that's good. And I will say, people say, you know, why do you invest in crypto? It's the most secure part of my portfolio. If I'm totally honest, it's not Google or Microsoft or any of those things that you might think. It's actually crypto, and Bitcoin is that. Welcome all of my guests this morning. Bill, good morning to you. And good morning. We need some good news on SPCE. We do. It's not going to come yet. Got to be patient. It's a way off. They're building the rockets, and we have to wait for that news. We will be discussing this morning NFT, metaverse focused. Animoca Brands raises 360 million at 5 billion valuation. We will be talking about United Airlines. We're talking about the United Airlines and other airlines around the world. What are they doing right now with the Omicron situation? Rev has some way to go to become a multi-bagger. We'll talk about that as well. And Microsoft as well. We'll be talking about that. All right. If you just tuned in today to the channel, of course, as always, click subscribe and ring the bell. There it is. And give us a thumbs up if you want to support the channel. Help us grow. If you're over there on TikTok, come and join us here on YouTube. We'd love to welcome you as a guest of the family. And maybe you become a member of the channel. Lots to offer you here. Lots to give away. Lots of support. Come and join us here on the Day Trader. All right. Not bad at all now. Up 0.92 so far on the day. $382 that's worth to me. But remember, I used to be at 58,000. So we've got a long way to go to get back where we were. Mike, good morning. Is that a little bit of what's his name? What's the guy's name? Good morning, Vietnam. I can't remember his name now. What's his name? Robin Williams. That's the guy I'm thinking of. Good morning. Let me bring the comment in. There you go, Mike. Thank you ever so much for your comment. Appreciate that very much indeed. Love to have you here. Thank you very much indeed. Right now, the markets are looking favourable. But remember, this is the pre-market. The market doesn't open yet for another hour, but we go in 20 minutes to the pre-market. We have half an hour before on Robinhood, at least anyway, to trade and get ready. So it's very exciting time this time of the day. It's always the most volatile part of the day. And as Mike is here, let's bring in our bronze members. Here we go on the screen right now. I believe Mike is a bronze member. He helps support the channel, and this channel wouldn't be possible. It wouldn't be possible without my members who support the channel. It really does. It does literally hang on you guys. It really does. Otherwise, I'd be here for nothing at all. So I really appreciate all of my members that are part of the show and take part. Of course, now tomorrow, very important, tomorrow is the cash giveaway. We do it every Friday. So if you're watching me on TikTok or wherever you're listening to me right now, you want to be here tomorrow, because tomorrow we give cash away during the show. But you have to be on YouTube. Good morning, Bill. There we go. Good morning, Mike. Let me bring in Bill. Bill is our veteran from Canada, and he's like me, very much into Virgin Galactic. Right now we are feeling some pain, but it's all part of it. We have to ride it out. Now, this is looking great right now. If we go back to the main portfolio, we're up now over 1% right now. We're getting some good bounces now. 1.64 with Tesla. 2.31 with Rivian. Wow, we're seeing a really big push up this morning. Wonderful stuff. SPCE 1.87. All right. Okay, we have a trade in play. Let me bring in our silver members this morning. Now remember, right now I just want to make some money on Virgin Galactic. Simple as that. It doesn't matter how little it is. I want to make some money. Now if we can get Virgin Galactic today up to 950, something like that, I will sell those 13 shares and make myself, you know, a few bucks. It doesn't matter. It's a profit to absorb some of the losses we are feeling right now. It doesn't really matter how little it is. A profit is a profit and we'll take it. So if you're just tuned in this morning, welcome, welcome, welcome to all of you over there on Facebook, YouTube. I see we got people who are joining us now over there. Come and join us on YouTube. That's the home of our show. Please do come and join us here. And I see we got people watching us also on Twitter this morning live as well. Great stuff. The best place to be is YouTube. That's where you get the best experience. All right. Lovely to have you here. All right. Good stuff. We're getting ready this morning for a bit of a bounce, and we're hoping to take some profits off the table. Remember, always be prepared to take profits. Don't ever just hold forever. You're not joining a fan club. You're here to make money. You've got a long-term position. You've got a day position, a swing position. All three are very different. Just checking the streams around the room, making sure we're all good, and we are. Wonderful stuff. All right. And we're watching the main portfolio right now, and we are up over 1% now. Looking very, very nice. We like this very much indeed. It's looking good. All right, let's see how we go. 1.04. Mike says, good morning, Bill. Leah's here as well. Thank you very much for coming into the show. If you've just arrived, we like to get to 20 likes before the bell goes. So we got 10 already. So we're on the way. Fantastic. We are a small channel, but we are a very, very engaging, supportive channel. That's what we're all about here. And should you wish to become a member to the channel, this is what happens. And if you want to become a subscriber, this is what happens. And if you want to become a super chat and promote yourself and support the channel, this is what happens. There you go. Just a little test for you to show you how it works. Great. All right. Looking good this morning. 1.06. Of course, it is the pre-market. The pre-market starts in just over 15 minutes. This is just before that starts. I can't trade at the moment. Robinhood will not allow me to trade. I can start trading in 15 minutes. It will mean I'll have to set limit orders if I want to trade, because in the pre-market you can't just buy like you can in the main market. You have to set a limit order, which is fine. That's how we do it. We're at 1.07. Tesla is now up 1.62. Doesn't show it on the chart right now because the chart hasn't reset. We're just going on the after hours figures at the top of the screen. All right, Rivian is up 2.31. But the story of the day is SPCE. Can we make a trade? Anything above 920 will be a profit. And then what we'll do, we'll use that profit and we'll buy it if it goes lower. Some people are saying it's going to go to $6. And if that happens, we'll buy more. But we want to make money from it now. I know a lot of my positions are way higher than 9. They're up there in their 11s, 12s, 18s, 20s, even 30s. We've got some money right at the top. So we can't make any money on those positions, but we can make money on the lower positions. 920, I bought 13 last night. And if we can get it to pop up above anything above 920, I will take a trade. And then as it drops, and it could, I will use that money to buy some more and do it again. So even though times are hard, we can make money from our positions. All right, it's very, very important. Good morning, all of you over there on TikTok. Thanks for being here this morning. Lovely to have you here. And welcome to the show. If you're over on TikTok, thanks to all my supporters, we have 11,500 followers on TikTok, and I want to thank all of you. And I'll share the love with you on the screen, and thank you very much for the follow as well. I appreciate it very much. But I'd like to offer you a much better experience, and that is join us here on YouTube. The link is in the profile, and you can be part of our main show. And the reason why I ask that is because I can't actually share with you my trading screens. You're just seeing me through a phone. That's why the picture quality isn't as good as it is for my YouTubers. And of course, I can't share my links with you either. So you're missing out on quite a bit. If you're a serious trader, you'll want to be with me on YouTube. All right. And Mike, one of our members here to the channel, your badge will be turning colour soon. Looking forward to seeing that. Mike, your badge will be turning light green very soon. And he says, it's your show. Yeah, it is. That's my trademark. You're damn right, it's my show. In 9:22 right now with Virgin. GGPI 1109, we're up. Lucid, we're up 2.7 this morning. Now remember, I've got no interest really in Lucid right now. I did. It's made me over $1,000, which I've put into Virgin Galactic. But right now, I'm out of it. So what I need to do is make some money from Virgin and buy back in with Lucid. Right now, it's up 3%. I want to catch it on dip again. Up, yep, over 3% now. Look at it. Lucid's doing very well this morning. Hood is up 1.51. The overall portfolio now is up 1.14. This is a great morning. We are very much green this morning. Okay, let's get some action going on here right now. If you've just joined us, subscribe and ring the bell, and let's get those likes up. We've got just 10 minutes to go now before the bell goes. 10 minutes to go before the bell goes. And that is the small bell. That is the bike horn, because that means it's the pre-market, not the main market. Look at this, 1.14. We like this. On the hour, you can see we're actually up 0.35, but on the day as well, we're 1.17. Now, what we want to do now is turn our week green. Now that will take a much bigger push. That'll take 8.86%. So we're a long way from the week. And of course, if we pan right out, it's looking dismal. Remember, we were at 58 here. But are we down? No, we're not. Because what we've done, even though the value of our stocks are down, all this profit enabled me to accumulate more stock. So right down here, I might have had, let's just say, for example, 1,000 shares across all my stocks. Well, I now have probably 5,000 shares. They're just worthless right now. So when they recover, and they will, my portfolio will take off very quickly. It took me 5 months to get to here. It could take hours to get from here back to here. No question about it. Just got to hold on, be patient. And right this morning, we are seeing those rewards. We're up 1.18% this morning. Now, this happened yesterday, and when it did, it popped back down again. So we don't want to be too carried away right now, but we are preparing for some trades. We are preparing for some trades, and we will take it this morning. And the trade we're looking for first is Virgin Galactic, 926. I'm not setting an order. I'm waiting to see what happens. We've got 10 minutes to go now. And, 6 cents times 10 is 60. It's about 90 cents profit. It's nothing, but it is a profit. And I will take it. So we're looking for somewhere in the region of 9.50. And then what we'll do, we'll sell those shares. And we'll make ourselves $1, but we'll also have the value of those shares out. And when the next dip comes, and it goes to 8 or 7 or 6, there's even talk of penny stocks now. Can you believe that? I will buy those dips as well. So we'll make money on it one way or another. We'll make money on it. Where is everyone today? Indeed, we are quiet right now. Bill, you're absolutely right. We've got 11 likes to the show. I'll take 11. It looks like people are in the show, but they're just not talking right now. And hopefully they will very, very shortly. All right. We're getting ready now. Right, 10 minutes to go. Here we go. If you've just joined us, click subscribe and ring the bell. Come into the live chat. Let us know you're here. And give us a thumbs up. We'd love to hear from you. And we're here to support all our traders. And we're here every morning for the opening and closing bell. And we're just getting ready now for an exciting morning. This could be the morning when we actually make a trade on Virgin Galactic. And it's been a while. Bill says I'm two of them. Fantastic, Bill. You're a star, a legend. You are very much one of my top supporters to the channel. I appreciate you very much indeed. I'm going to sell 10 shares of Spce. Bought with you same time yesterday. Mike, spot on. That's absolutely right. A profit is a profit. I've always believed and always was told that take care of the pennies, the pounds take care of themselves. And I strongly believe that. I strongly believe that. I think it's very, very important to do so. I don't think you should just assume, oops, a daisy. Let me get rid of that. I apologise. That shouldn't have come on the screen. That's my update screen. There we go. Update Photoshop. Yeah, I'll do that live in the middle of a show. So yeah, right now, we can't control what's happening on the market, but we can make money. And when times are like this, I mean, would a shopkeeper turn away a customer who came through the door in a really bad time and said, "I just want to buy a packet of crisps," and the shopkeeper makes a penny? Would they turn that customer away? No, of course they wouldn't. They'd take the penny. And right now, I've got 13 shares at 9.20, and I absolutely will sell it if I can. I'm not going to sell it at 5. I mean, literally, I'd make like 10 cents. I'm not going to do that. But if it gets to 9.50, something like that, and if I start seeing it go up and up and up, I'll hold back. But at the moment I get resistance, then I will sell. So that's very, very important. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to go to my sell screen on Virgin Galactic, and I'm going to put in sell 13 shares. All right. Now what I've got to do is set a limit order. So let's limit price. So now let's say I don't know. We can adjust this. We can adjust it. Now remember, whatever I set, it needs to go slightly higher than that to do it. So if I want to sell it 9.50, right, I better put 9.40, something like that. So let's call it for now 9.50. 9.50. That means it'll get to 9.60 before it sells. I just want to get my order in, right? Allow to execute. I'm going to leave that there. All right. Now, when the market's open, we'll see what happens. If it starts to pop up, I'll adjust that and I'll make a sale. I don't care how much it is. I'll make a sale. Right. I'm not going to sell it at 9.25 and make 5 cents. That'd be pretty pointless. But I do want my money out so I can buy another dip, because another dip more than likely will come. All right, we're now just 5.5 minutes to go, and we're getting ready for that trade. So there we go. We're at 1.32, looking very nice. I might see 42,000 again. I've not seen that for a long time. All right. This is very, very encouraging. But remember, this happened yesterday, and people sold out. So, hey, Bill's got another account. Bill has set up another account. Look at him. Bill's on fire. Look how many accounts. Bill's got 3 accounts now. I can't keep up with him. Flipping hell. Can you believe it? Bill's got 3 accounts now. Right. This is looking good. Rivian 2.62. Look at Lucid at 4% this morning. Very, very nice indeed. But the only thing that we've got to play with is Virgin Galactic right now. So we've got 5 minutes to go. We got 12 likes. If you've just come on in, smash the like button. Welcome, welcome, welcome to the show. Lovely to have you all here. Thank you very much for being here. And welcome to you all. Very, very exciting morning. We're getting ready to trade. Any moment now. I've set a limit price of $9.50, which means it will need to get to $9.60 for it to make a trade. So I might have to adjust that. But that's where I need it to be. And I'll sell those 13. Then that'll put $1 plus the $150 worth of Virgin Galactic shares in my account. Then I'll wait for another dip and do it again and make another $1. So even though we're down, we can make money on it. Right. We're coming up to the time. 3 likes, 3 subscribers. You're a legend, you are, Bill. Bill is the best. I don't know why the subscriber didn't come up on the screen. Normally when we get a subscriber during the show, that happens. I don't know why it didn't show on the... I don't know why it didn't show. That's a bit weird. It hasn't shown anywhere, Bill. Maybe you'd already subscribed to those channels because my subscriber count hasn't changed. And it would show on the screen. I smashed a like. You ready? Okay, we've got just 3 minutes to go now. So very, very quickly, it's time to pay the bills. You can skip the ad. I'll be back in 10 seconds from now. There you go. We're back with you once again. If you saw an ad, you can watch it, support the channel, or skip it. Awesome. Okay, we've got just 2 minutes to go now, and we're looking to get a trade. I hit all the bells and great stuff. Thanks, Bill. Oh yeah, 966. I see it. Just gained a subscriber. I didn't see it pop up on the screen though. Very weird. It's supposed to. Right, 1.5 minutes to go. Are we going to make a trade this morning? We are very quiet this morning. You're absolutely right. It's probably our quietest ever morning, I would think, since we started the channel. Very odd. All right, here we go. 1 minute to go. Let's get ready. Here we go. Just a few seconds to go now, and we'll find out where we're going to go this morning. Just 26 seconds to go. Are we going to make a trade this morning with Virgin Galactic? Are we going to take some profits out of Virgin Galactic this morning? Okay, remember this is the pre-market. This isn't the main market, but we are up 924. There is a chance we can make some money this morning. Here we go. 3, 2, 1, let's go. Market is in pre-market now. So there you go. You can see now we're up. You can see it's just turned green live on the show there. Look, we're at 1.65 now. We've got orders ready to sell. We're up 1.65, 924, 923. Let's set an order for, okay, it looks like we're heading down. Now, I said I wouldn't do a trade, but it does look like, so I'm at 910. So that will go through, and I've it 923. Sell 13 shares. Sold. Okay. I made 13 times 3. I mean, literally, you know, we're talking 75 cents. It doesn't matter. Right. Done. 13 shares sold. And if we look back at that now, it's very, very, very little. I know it's nothing, but it gives me the cash again. So let's understand that. All right. So here we go. Now, what we've done now, what we did, we sold 990 and 922. So there we go. I literally made myself 30 cents. Nothing. But the point is, I've got my money in my buying power again. So I made a profit, as little as it is, but now I've got $127. So we're looking at $127 now, and we'll get to buy SPCE as it falls again. We'll do it again. So I will set it now. Buy 13. And we'll set a limit order. I mean, 75 cents, guys. It's a profit. In days like this, a profit is a profit, okay? So set a limit order, which I'll need to do. And I'm happy to pay. Let's just call it $9.50. It doesn't really matter at this stage. Happy to pay $9.50. So as it goes down, it'll go through, right? And as soon as it goes down again, I'll do it again. So we're just watching it right now. At the moment, it's holding at 923. I made 75 cents on it. A profit's a profit. You know, to make a profit out of Virgin Galactic today is an achievement, right? But more importantly, it's allowed me to get my capital out so I can do it again. If you've just tuned into the show, click subscribe and ring the bell and give us a thumbs up. Let us know you're here. Come into the live chat. I saw Dr. Smith pop up. And, hey, Bill, here he is. We've got Dave Mottram in the house. We got Patty from Italy. Wonderful stuff. Did I see Dr. Smith pop in as well? He's not made a comment yet, but I believe he's here. Good morning to all of you. There he is. There's Bill. Thank you ever so much, Bill. Sorry, that day, I apologise. Dr. Smith, thanks ever so much. Right, we've just done a trade on Virgin Galactic, and we made 75 cents, but I'm not poo-pooing it. I'm not saying it's nothing, absolutely not. A profit is a profit. I'll take it all day long. So now I've got my buying power again. We're gonna wait for it to drop again. If it does, if it goes up, I've got 920 shares to make money from, so I'm not bothered about that. Right, there we go. The family's waking up now. Here's Mike, here's Patty. There we go. Everybody's coming into the show. Great stuff. Right, we've got 26 minutes to go before the bell goes. We've got 16 likes. Not bad at all. Hi, Mike. $9.23, it's holding. The overall portfolio now up 1.25. I've now got $127 again in my buying power. So we've improved that. I know it says 40,000. Remember, that's leverage margin. I don't use that. So that's where we are right now. 127. The portfolio is up 1.26. Very, very happy with that, as you can imagine. 1.86. I've got no profit in Tesla right now. I've got no profit in Rivian. Virgin Galactic that has gone up a bit further, so I missed out on that. That's fine. I've got 920 shares. Now, Mike said he was going to sell it as well. What did you do, Mike? Are you waiting for it to go higher, or did you just sell it? I don't know what your position is. It depends, obviously, where you bought in. A profit is a profit. And all we want to do is keep adding to our profits. And all the time lowering our averages. Martyn, have you any news on the Hood wallets yet? None whatsoever. It's supposed to come mid-January. We are mid-January now. You're waiting for the bell, waiting to go when the bell rings. Okay. Well, you've got 23 minutes then. I just sold. I bought it at 9.20 and sold it at 9.23. Okay. But I've still got 920 shares. I've got my long-term position, my investing position. I've got my swing trade position. And I've got my day trade position. And if you want to even go down even deeper than that, my scalping position. And that was my scalping position. 75 cents is a profit. I mean, to make money on Virgin Galactic right now, it's good. All right, I'll take it. So if it goes lower, I'll buy. I've just set it at 9.50. Look, as you look on the screen, I'm prepared to pay 9.50. That doesn't mean I'm prepared to pay 9.50. It just means it will go through. All right, and I want to buy 13 shares with my money I just bought, with like the money I just got out of it and the profit included. So, you know, that's the idea. And what I'm trying to do is gain a free share all the time. I'm just trying to earn a free. If I can make $9 today from Virgin Galactic. Oh, look at this. Naomi Butler is here. Naomi Butler, wonderful to see you. A lovely lady, Naomi Butler, one of my dear friends. Naomi, how lovely to have you here. You're over on Facebook. You're not on YouTube, you're on Facebook. But lovely to have you here. Welcome indeed. Lovely to have you here. Naomi Butler is a wonderful lady. I've got many things I could say about Naomi. Naomi, what I'd like to do is give you the link to YouTube. Come on to YouTube and introduce yourself to our traders and the team and who you are and what you do. I'd love you to do that. Let me give you the let me come over to Facebook now and find you. I'll find you. Don't you worry about that. Where are you? Are you on the page? No, you're not. You're over on the profile. So let me come over to the profile, give you the link to YouTube, and you can come and join us. We've got just over 8 minutes, 15 minutes to go before the bell goes. So let me come over. Stay right where you are. Unless you're already coming to YouTube, of course. And let me go into Facebook. And thank you very much for my tea. Appreciate it very much indeed. Where is Naomi? She is... doesn't look like she's on my profile at the moment. Where is she? She could be on my profile. And she could be on my page. I'm just trying to find her. We'll do that maybe Friday. About to be on a call. Okay. I'm chasing her and she's saying, I'm going to go on a call. So, yeah, I'll give up on that then. I don't know where she is. I think she's over on my page. Hi, Martyn. Lovely to see you. Good morning. Good morning. I have to leave. Mike, we'll be back. Let Mike take care of yourself. Look forward to seeing you soon. 20 minutes to go. There she is. I found her. She's on my page, so I will give her the link. There you go, Naomi. If you've got a minute or you're off, that's understandable. There is the link to YouTube. I found her. She was over on my page. See you later. See you later, Naomi. Have a lovely day. That was a nice surprise. Just popped in to say hello. How nice was that? Right. It's 9:23 still. Holding at 9:23. Welcome everybody to the Day Trader Studio. Lovely to have you here. We're getting ready for a live position on Virgin Galactic. We've just sold it. We've made, I mean, it's nothing. It's 75 cents. But every penny counts right now. There you go. So we're just getting ready for a trade. And let's see where we go. We've got just 17 minutes. No, sorry. 17 minutes to go before the bell goes. And Virgin Galactic has just sat there at 9:23. So the fact it sat there like that would indicate to me that it could drop. Hence why I took the 75 cents plus the capital back out. Now I've got $127 to buy in again. So that's what it's all about. Let's put Naomi's face on the screen. There she is. She just sent me a purple heart. Lovely. Look at that. Hi, Bill. How are you? Happy to see you. Right, 16 likes now. Smash the like button. And, of course, give us a thumbs up as well. Are you ready? Okay, we are now at $1.50. We're at $1.54. GGPI is up 0.72. Lucid is up nearly 4% today. Lucid, big lift off there. Shame I'm not in it anymore. Robinhood, of course, I'm in that one, and they're up 2%. That's good, but still down a long way. Just got asked about the wallets. No news yet, but it's imminent. Embarrassingly, I keep saying though, I've been saying imminent for ages. Robinhood are terrible at their customer relations and their information they get to the public. Terrible. They don't do themselves any favors whatsoever. Up 1.68. Rolls-Royce barcoding, of course, at the algorithm making those trades. Boeing is up 2.24. 13 minutes to go now, and we're up with Apple as well. We're up with Google as well. We're down slightly with Coca-Cola. We are up 0.6 with Evgo. Can for a bit of fun. It's flat this morning. Ethereum. This is the big news this morning. Crypto is up 2% this morning. Still down with Ethereum right now, though. Still down. Doge is also up 1.46. Bitcoin is up 1.35. I'm still down in those positions, but nevertheless, news we'll be talking about later in the show when we get past the fury of the opening bell is Metaverse, United Airlines, Rev, and Microsoft. We'll cover all that as we get into the show. We're not there yet. Right, 1.2, 41.9. Here we go. Look, we're getting ready now. 41.9. Hey, Captain Fantastic. I'm back and still standing. There he is. Mr. Elton John's in the house. Good stuff. Hi, Alicia. Hi, Dave. Everyone's coming in now. We're getting some action. We're getting excited. All right. We need 2 more likes before the bell goes. So smash the like button. Hit the thumbs up. We need to get to 20 likes before the bell goes. That's the rules of the show. That's kind of like what it's all about. That's what we need. If you've not smashed the like button yet, you need to do it right. You ready? We're coming very close now to 15 minutes before the bell goes. 18 likes. We're doing well. Right, we're just dropping back very slightly, but that's okay. Right, there's Virgin Galactic just falling. So I did the right thing at this stage. A profit is a profit. Right now, it's my profit I would have had, or I did have, it was starting to go. So what I'll do is I want to buy it anything less than 9.20. That would be perfect. Right, let's bring in the timer. Are you ready? Okay, here we go. We got 15 minutes to go in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 15 minutes, we're off now. We got 15 minutes now to get to 20 likes. That's the first task of the day. But also, and I thank you very much for doing that, by the way, we've also got to see if Virgin Galactic can drop now. Virgin Galactic suddenly drops now. below 920, I'll buy it. Okay? It doesn't really matter how low, I'll buy it again. 922, I just bought it at 920, sold it at 923. And what we're looking now is to see it go below 920. That'll be my new low. I might even be able to squeeze 14 shares and add one, get a free one if I can get it to a bit lower. I've got it in my buying power right now. I've got 127. So if I can get a bit lower than that, what would 14 shares be? So I can gain one. 133. There we go. That's how much I need. So 13 shares. We're waiting to buy 13 shares. As it drops again, that's exactly what we'll do. And then we'll try and trade that. Okay. We're getting ready now for our position. We are at 41,890. We're up 1.16%. It's very, very good. Everything is looking green this morning. That's good. Tesla just edging back. I can't make any trades there this morning. I'm going to leave it where it is. Rivian up 2.56, same thing. I'm down $1,000 there. No profit there at all this morning. They're pushing up now. Virgin Galactic 922. I bought it at 920. I sold it at 923. So that was good. How's Tesla jam doing? The Tesla jam is lovely. It's turned a nice flavour of strawberry. Time for a cup of tea. Good morning, everybody, and welcome to the Day Trader. Lovely to have you here on a freezing cold Texas morning. Here in Texas, it's freezing, literally freezing. We've got the faucets dripping, and we're not expecting precipitation. Can you believe we use these words in America? They can't just say, leave the tap on to stop it freezing. They can't just say, hey, it's raining outside. No. Leave the faucet dripping, and we may expect precipitation. Can't believe it. What's wrong with rain and turn the tap on? I don't know. Anyway, good morning, Junior Caesar. Welcome always to the show. Junior Caesar is a friend of the family. She's not a member, but she is a friend of the family. She's here every day. Nearly, I would imagine. A quiet hello to everyone. Here's to a good day. Yes, we just made a profit this morning from Virgin Galactic. I bought 13 shares at 920. I sold at 923. I know what you're going to say. That's 75 cents. Yes, but I take it. I got my profit out, and I'll buy it when it goes lower again. I'm looking for anything below 920, and I'll do it again, and I'll make another 75 cents. It all adds up. Take care of the pennies. The pounds take care of themselves. Hey, Paddy, lovely to have you here. Good morning, Martin Redding. Welcome, everybody. 19 likes. We're nearly at 20. We want 20 likes in the next 11 minutes. Right, smash the like button if you've not yet done it. We have 20 likes by the time the show starts. Martin is one of our members. I want to thank all my members, because right now, it's the members that bring you this channel. This channel would not be possible if it was not for my members. This channel is all funded by my members. We're a very small channel, but a very engaging channel. It's the members that keep the lights on. I thank you very much indeed. It's just a couple of bucks a day, but it does make the difference between me sitting here losing money, in other words, not covering the electric, and covering the electric bill. So I appreciate all my members very much, and I hope you benefit from the perks you receive. There's an invitation if you wish to join and become a member. And if you do, of course, this is what will happen. This is what happens when you become a member. This is what happens when you subscribe. And this is what happens when you support the channel with a super chat. There you go. Appreciate all the support we get on the channel. Without your support, the channel wouldn't be here. Right, 923 right now. We took a profit this morning. We bought in at 920. We sold at 923. Very, very nice. Now we're waiting for it to go a little bit lower. We got just 9 minutes and 30 seconds to go. We're up this morning. It's a green day, up 1.3. Our biggest gains this morning are Tesla and also Lucid, up 4.5%. I'm a little bit frustrated. I don't have any money in Lucid right now. I took my profit. It dropped. I would have bought back, but my money hasn't popped up from Virgin. I was unable to buy back in. I would have loved to have done, because Lucid is my biggest profit maker. I made a lot of money with Lucid. I made $1,000 with Lucid. Unfortunately, though, right now, it's popping back up again, but I only have one share in it, which is very frustrating. But it is what it is. I'm hoping to buy back in again when it drops again, as soon as Virgin Galactic makes me some money. But there we go. Right, 9.24. So at the moment, I'm on the wrong side of the sell. I sold it at 9.23, but I don't mind because it could fall back down again. I'm looking for some more gains on SoFi today. Beyond Meat, also one for me today, as McDonald's continue to offer their products. McDonald's is doing well as well. Yep. Let me have a look at McDonald's as well. If I scroll down to McDonald's, I've got McDonald's open here somewhere. Let me have a quick look at it. Where is it? McDonald's. There it is. McDonald's. What are they doing today? I like McDonald's. It pays me a decent dividend. So that's free money. I like getting my dividends when they come around. There we go. I've got, one share at the moment. I'm up $20, 8%. Only have one share at the moment with McDonald's. I must have sold that at some point. But there we go. That's up today, 0.5%. But that's all good. Sam, you're exactly in the right and wonderful place to be. There we go. Bill's dropped his comment in there about his fundraiser. We'll have a little update on that shortly, I'm sure. Put Beyond Meat on your watch list. Let's have a look. I'll do it. Beyond Meat. Let's have a look. Beyond Meat. Here we go. Right then. In the pre-market, we're up. We're going to add this to the list. Let me just clear the screen. Add to list. There we go. New ideas. Thank you very much indeed. Shall we just pan out and have a look at it? Oh, I see. It's falling down over the last year. What's it done recently? I see where you're going with that. Okay. It's down the month, down on the week, but we're starting to get it to pop up today. That's an interesting one. I can see why you're looking at that. And I think that is a stock for the future with the way we're going with the environment. I can see that. Right, we've got just 7 minutes to go. We're at 1.31. Very, very nice. 1.94 now. Rivian is up 2.3%. Lovely. Virgin Galactic's 9.24. We've got 19 likes now. We're not quite at 20. We've got 5 minutes to get one more like. Smash the like. Ford price target. Let's have a look at Ford. We've been talking about Ford. You know what I feel about Ford. It's not one that I like because I think it's going to drop, and in fact it did drop, didn't it? Let's have a look. Yes, if we look at it, look at that. Look, this is exactly what I said. Ford is ridiculously overpriced and overvalued for me. Anyway, I believe it's a stock of the past. I believe Tesla will destroy it in years to come. I don't think Ford will be a major player in years to come. In 10 years from now, I think Ford will disappear. Now, you might say, well, that's ridiculous. It's huge. It's massive. That doesn't make any difference. The Roman Empire was massive. The Mayans were massive. There's loads of civilizations that have disappeared. Loads of great businesses that have disappeared. They are an old technology and an old company. I know you're saying they've got the EV thing going on, but they're only doing it reluctantly, and they're not fully embracing it. It's not really what they want to do. It's not really who they are. It's like oil companies. Oil companies will change dramatically in the future as well. They won't be where they are today either. And Ford popped all the way up, and now it's falling back down again quite dramatically, very quickly. So there you go. I mean, I hate to see people losing money. Martyn said that the other day. He said, I hate seeing people lose money. We all get that. And I do too. Let's keep Ford open. I'm really looking to the future. Remember, I've said this many times, a portfolio I could forget about and come back in 10 years. Could I come back in 10 years and see myself up in Ford? No. Could I come back in 10 years and see myself up in Rivian and Tesla and Virgin Galactic? Yes. And that's the point. If I fell asleep, didn't wake up, and no one was managing my portfolio, which is exactly what could happen, let's be honest, where would I be in the future? And that's the stocks I'm interested in. Right, Virgin Galactic, we've got just over 3 minutes to go now, and I sold a little bit too early, but that's okay. I took a profit. It's okay. I'm waiting for it to go back down again. I've got my a Neo. Got a dash. Take care. Julius Caesar, thank you ever so much for coming in. You would have watched an ad. You would have given us a like, so I appreciate all that very much for supporting the channel. No matter how quickly you come in and come out, I appreciate the support massively. I really do. It makes all the difference. Thank you to all my members who are here this morning as well. Without you guys, the channel wouldn't be possible. It's the members that pay for the channel and support it for everyone. So thank you ever so much. Two and a half minutes to go. All right, very exciting now. Very exciting. Not long to go at all. And now you might go, well, how do you feel the fact you sold Virgin Galactic early? I don't mind at all because I've got 920 shares. I'm exceedingly overweighted. It's not a problem. Wow, look at it go. Lovely stuff. Lovely. Of course, my 920 could have done a lot better, but that's fine. But it might fall down again. And I'm making money from all the other trades I've got in there. So that doesn't matter. That doesn't matter at all. Right, here we go. We're coming down to it now. Just 1 minute 40 to go. Let's get ready. And I took a profit this morning, 920 to 923. So I missed out on 6 cents a share. It's okay, I don't mind because I've got 920 shares working for me. It doesn't matter. Right, here we go. Let's get ready now. Sam Hughes, ring the bell. We've got a minute to go. Watch the clock on the screen. We're up 132. Much, much better. Ford is still down. Beyond Meats is falling down. McDonald's is up 0.5%. Tesla is just dropping back. Rivian is just dropping back now. Right, here we go. Let's get ready. Under a minute to go. 927. I'm ready to buy it back. 13 shares when it falls back down again. If it doesn't, that's great. I don't care. If it goes up, it makes money. If it goes down, it makes money. I'm making money both ways round. It doesn't matter to me. Let's bring in our silver members right now on the screen. Here we go. Right, 231. Hang in there, Tesla Jam. Right, here we go. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Here we go. All right, the bell is now gone. We are now into the trading positions, and let's see where we go. Will Virgin pop down? Will I buy back those 13 shares? Let's go to the overall portfolio. Right, here it goes. Here's the drop. This is what you'd expect. Let's go on the live position. Dropping back now. Ford is dropping back. Beyond Meats is dropping back. McDonald's is still firing up. Tesla is just falling back. Rivian is falling back. SPCE 923. No action yet. No action yet. Well, hold it. There it goes. 921. 933. Oh, very, very good. Now, of course, I missed out on that 937. I sold at 923. Of course, I wished I'd waited. But that's all 940. 942. Up nearly 3.5% today. Great. It doesn't matter. It doesn't matter. The rest of my portfolio, 920 shares, are working for me. Just those 13 I took off the top. That's fine. That'll fall back in a minute. Of course, I wished I'd waited, but I took the profit just in case it fell. I've got 920 shares working for me. It doesn't matter about those 13. Lucid is now just dropping back. I want to get into Lucid again if I can. Robinhood is now falling, but it's still at 1%. Peloton is up. PayPal is up and taking off, nearly 2% now. My PayPal position is getting stronger by the day. Immersion is doing well. On is down 1%. Rolls-Royce is up 0.5%. No, sorry, down 0.5%. Boeing is up 0.32. Let me go back to SPCE. We're now at 342, 344. Up nearly 4% today. 3.65, 3.7, 3.8. This is great. My next trade will be 11.25. Great. We're waiting for it to fall back down again for me to buy it in again. We didn't quite get our 20 likes. We're 19 this morning, very, very close to 20 likes. Subscribe, ring the bell if you've just joined us. If you're over on TikTok, you're missing out. The best place to be is on YouTube. The link's in the profile. Smash the like button when you get here. There we go, 9:47. We're up 4% now on Virgin, 4.5%. We're approaching 5% profit now. Whoa, here we go. A big push up this morning. That will affect the portfolio. Of course it will. Need 21% of my portfolio now. Look at it, rocking it up. I'm up now on the day. I'm up 2% now. YouTube is where the party's at. Yeah, let me share that. Let me share that on the screen. Nice one. There we go. Right, 2%. We're up now. This is much, much better. I'm up $890 today. Ford is down. Beyond Meats is starting to recover. McDonald's is firing up. Tesla is dropping back down. Rivian is pushing up. That's great. I've got 45 shares in that one. SPCE is exploding. 5.28%. That's great. This is great. Love it. I don't mind I sold my 13 shares. Those are my scalping shares. They're not my long-term position. They're not my swing trades. Right. I've got nearly 21% now. 957. What's 957? What's 957, Bill? What does that mean? 957. Oh, the price. Is that what you mean? I don't know. Yes, maybe he means that. I think so. 956. Very, very good. Would have loved to have kept my 13 shares at that. My 13 shares at that. Of course I would have done, but SPCE, sorry, Bill. If you put 9.57 and you put a dollar sign, I didn't know what you meant, but I got you. I got you. All right. We're up 2% now. 42,000 again. All right. That's more like it. Let's pan out and see how we see a little blip. There it is. There it is. We'll take that all day long. All right. There we go. On the day, we're up 2%. Very, very nice. McDonald's is pushing up now. Tesla is dropping back slightly. Rivian is pushing up 2.48. SPCE is nearly 4.5% now. I've got nothing else to trade right now. My next position is at 11.25. So we're away off that. Okay, we're looking now to see Virgin Galactic drop again below 920, and I'll buy again. But right now, this is great to see. People are buying in. Let me go and look at the chart. Let me see the chart. Let me have a look. Whoa, yes, we got a very large candle. A very large candle. Look at this. Look on the chart for Virgin Galactic. That's a huge buy-in. Massive volume there this morning. People are buying in. It's oversold. Coming back in. I love it. Doesn't mean to say it won't drop. And if it does drop, I'll buy it. I'll buy it below 920. Not an issue at all. I don't mind. But we're up over 5% now. This is absolutely fantastic. Great news today here on the Day Trader. We're very, very excited now. We're watching Virgin Galactic pop up again. We just made a small trade. We sold 13 shares. We made 75 cents on it. It's nothing, but at least it's a profit. But we've still got 920 shares locked in. And we will sell some more as we approach 12. If we go down to 920, we'll buy those 13 back. And we'll do it again. But this is great. Absolutely fantastic. It just shows you that the interest, okay, here's a bit of resistance. Now, what's it going to do? Is it going to fall back, or are we going to push on? I don't mind either way. I don't mind either way. I mean, if that's the end and the good news is coming to me, it's a bit early. I don't know of any good news yet. I'm keeping my eye on Twitter. I'm not seeing any good news coming from anywhere yet. But if it does start to take off, that's great. That's great. And that's affecting my portfolio now by 2.13. This is a huge push this morning. Fantastic. Just makes me feel better. I've always believed in it. I do expect it to fall back. I don't expect that to continue. It's too early. But we're seeing a sign of it now. Look, if it does, it does. I don't mind. We're watching very closely, and we're also watching our Lucid position because this is up today 4.8. I want to buy back in here. I can't buy here until I've made my money on Virgin Galactic. We're also watching Hood for a trade as well. Let's not forget we've got Hood at 17.33. That's pumped up today. 2.5%. So that's looking good. Rivian as well. We've got a trade at 83. A long way to go, but it's moving up 3%. So we're good signs today. Right, Virgin Galactic is holding at 5%. It wants to go a bit higher. Will it go over 10 today? If you've just tuned in, thanks for the subscribe and ring the bell, and don't forget, smash the like button if you want to help support the channel. If you want to be part of the day traders and you want to help support the channel, here are all the links for you. If you want some free stock from free shares, we have lots of things that we give away. Plus, if you want to be a member to the channel, please click the invite to join. Here it is, and you can be a member, and you get lots of perks and benefits by being a member. If you are a silver member, you get your YouTube channel on the homepage of my YouTube channel right here, and you'll see the benefit it does. All our members who are silver and above gain subscribers. Look at Mark Korn, nearly at 1,000 subscribers. We started him at 960, and KK2 was at 3. And we got these subscribers up, and you'll earn money by monetizing your channel. If you support our channel becoming a silver member, You'll get your channel on the homepage of my channel. Plus, when you're here in the show, I put your links in the screen and invite everyone to join. And my members do join, and that's why the subscribers are up on all those channels. And all you have to do is become a silver member for that. It's really viable. It makes sense. Everything I do here is to try to help you, for you to make money and get a return on your investment. It's why I give away the stocks. Why we have cash giveaways on Friday. But you need to be here on YouTube if you want any of those benefits. All right, let's watch SPCE again now. 9.55. We're over 5% now. We're heading towards $10. This is great. Great today. Wonderful. I want to get back above 50,000. I know that's a long way off, but it could happen in minutes. It really could. This growth I had here, which took me 5 months to get, could come back in minutes. It really could. Ford is pushing back up again. I won't touch Ford. I'm not a fan. Beyond Meat is falling down right now. McDonald's is pushing up 0.43. Tesla is up 2% this morning. That's great. No profit there yet. Rivian is pushing up 2.79. Great. No profit there yet for me. Virgin Galactic. Right. Is it going to start falling now? I took my profit, not at the optimum time, but the rest of my shares are working well. Maybe it'll hold at this position. We've got more green candles coming in. Let's have a look on SPCE. Look. More green candles, slightly smaller than the first one, but still a very, very healthy amount. That's very, very good. If we look at the global markets, let's have a look at the global markets right now for you. I know you're interested in that. Let me share that with you. This is the global markets. New Zealand opened down this morning, but Australia was up. Nikkei was up, the Hang Seng was up by 3.5%, the DAX was up, the FTSE was down slightly, and so far we're seeing the S&P 500 and the New York Stock Exchange open up as well. So pretty good, pretty good. Things are looking well this morning, and we're onwards and upwards. Virgin Galactic is now up 4%, starting to fall back as we anticipated. As I expected, so it was nice to see that surge, but I have no problem with that. If it goes back below 920, I'll buy 13 shares again. No issue with that at all. If it stays up there, that's fine as well. I won't buy any more. Netflix is scheduled to announce its quarterly financial result after the market closes on Thursday. Bank of America securities analyst Nat Schindler has maintained a buy rating on Netflix, price target of $7.50. There you go. If you're a Netflix fan, there's one for you. Netflix, bit of information there for you, folks. That's sent in by Martin Redding. Thank you for sending that in, Martin. Much, much appreciated. Great bit of information there. And if you're interested in Netflix, you'll be interested in that news. Okay. Thanks, Martin, for sending that in. Great, great stuff. Love it. Virgin Galactic is up 3.85. Just dropping back now. We anticipated that. We have no issue with that. It's exactly what we expected. I did take a profit. It wasn't the optimum profit, but a profit nevertheless. And I'm happy with that. I've got my money to buy back in again. If it goes below 920, I will buy again, and we'll do it again. And ultimately, we're right now, it isn't about the price, it's about the value of where these companies are going, not the price of the stock. All I want to do is keep accumulating more and more stock. That's the idea. And if I can gain free stock by making those profits, that's what I'll do. Rivian is now up 3.5%. Great. I'm down 24% on it right now, though. Good news. Virgin Galactic, it's holding itself. It doesn't want to fall back. It's fallen back a bit, but now it's trying to go up again. I might not get a 920, and that doesn't matter. I've got 920 shares of it. I don't need to buy any more shares of it. I need to trim off. But if I can make some profits on the way up, then that'll be great. Gores Guggenheim is up 0.45. Lucid is having a good day, up 4.25. Hood is the story of the day as well. Look at this. We got 3% this morning. That is fantastic stuff. And that is definitely worth the news. Breaking news there. Price alert. Price alert. We've seen Robinhood pump up this morning. This is great. We don't normally see this. So this is a good movement for Robinhood this morning. There we go. Good news for my shippers. Union Pacific reported quarterly earnings of 2.86 per share, which beat the analyst consensus estimate of 261. That's very good news. Mark Korn is here. Mark Korn is here, so we'll promote his channel. When Mark Korn comes in, he's silver member, we'll promote him. Let's have a look. Unfortunately, I'm not staying today, family. I have a gallstone stuck. Oh, my dear, oh, dear. And it's given me problems with all morning here. Much love and respect to all. Right, Mark, we send our love to you, but you are here, so you are entitled for me to flash up your YouTube channel. He's at 980 subscribers. I said to Mark we'd get into 1,000 subscribers. Let's do it. Here we go, guys. If you've not yet signed up to subscribe to Mark Korn's YouTube channel, here it is in the chat right now. Let's get him one more subscriber. Let's get him to 981. He supports the channel, and without Mark, the channel would not be here. It's my members that keep this channel going, and I appreciate them massively. So, Mark, thank you very much indeed. Let's see if we can get him up one more subscriber. All right, want to get to him 1,000. There he is, Mark Korn in the show today. Brilliant. I'll go back in a minute and I'll check and see if someone subscribed to it. There we go. Price alert. Look, I am up today 2%. We've got breaking news. This is great. We're seeing a lot of stock movement here this morning. Beyond Meat is still falling. Julius Caesar said, look out for this one. This could be very interesting. McDonald's is up nearly 1%. Great. Tesla is up 2.83. Great. Rivian is holding up at 3%. Thanks, everyone. You're very, very welcome, mate. Virgin Galactic is held at 4%. It's might not fall back. It's looking like it wants to hold up. Very, very good. Lot of price movement this morning. Fantastic. And yes, look, Virgin Galactic is holding its position. It doesn't want to fall back. That's great. Lovely. Gores Guggenheim is holding up. Lucid is pushing up now 6%. 6% breaking news, everybody. That's big price movement now on Lucid, up 6.5%. I wish my money was still in there, but it's not. But I did make the profits. It came back down. I missed out on it this time because my money is locked up in Virgin Galactic right now. Not much I can do about that. There we go. So there we go. We've got breaking news this morning. A lot of price movement. 3% for Robinhood. The overall portfolio now is 42.3. We're up 2% this morning. We've got the day trader of the day coming up very, very soon as well. So stick around for that. And we'll find out who our day trader is. Right, let's go back and check. Did we get more subscribers to Mark's channel? He was at 980 and he's now at, let's have a look. 980, no, he's the same. He's the same. It looks like everybody's already subscribed to his channel, which is great. I know you already have, but we'll keep plugging away at that as we get more subscribers. We will share them with Mark as he is a silver member of our channel, and we support all our members. All right. Okay, let's get back to the main portfolio. Here we go. We're up now at 2%. We're showing breaking news this morning from big price movement this morning. Let's bring in our Ford is now lifting up. This is what Martin Redding was looking for this morning. It dropped 2.9%. Did he buy in and make a bit of a bounce this morning? Beyond Meat is falling down again. McDonald's is up 1%. Tesla is up nearly 3% this morning. Rivian just dropping back slightly now. SPCE, okay, it's falling back now. That's okay. We're looking to buy a 920 if we can. And We are coming up to the day trader of the day. I just used another channel to add to Mark. There we go. Mark now should have 980 subscribers. Let's go and have a look. 981. There he goes. We've just gained Mark Corn because he's not very well today. He's struggling with gallstones. We send our love to him. Get well soon. We've just gained him one more subscriber. And we do that for our silver members. Thank you very much indeed. Let me just check that as well. What did Mark say? He said something about gallstone. Right, everybody, let's send some love to Mark. He's a great supporter of the channel. The channel wouldn't be here without our members. Let's blow it. Let's make him feel well. Get well, Mark. He's got gallstones. So let's do it now. Okay, let's blow up the channel. You know what to do. Let's do a message to Mark. Make him feel special. Copy and paste in the chat. Get well, Mark. There we go. Everyone join in with that one. Let's make him feel loved and appreciated, which he is. Right, we're just dropping back now and we're looking for a position. No, I'm waiting till Ford hits 20. Which would be a good pullback as most other profit takers will be out. Okay, you're waiting for $20. Okay, so a little way to go yet then. Okay. We're watching SPCE falling back now. We're looking for 920. If we go below 920, we'll buy in again. Let's send some love to Mark Corn, everybody. He's got not very well. He came in to say hello. Let's blow up the chat for him. Get well, Mark, everybody. Get well, Mark. There you go. There you go. It's all coming in now. Good stuff. Thank you ever so much indeed, Mark. We hope you'll be here tomorrow for the cash giveaway, of course. We like to blow up the channel and send all our love to all our members. There we go. Great stuff. Virgin is now falling back a bit more, so we're getting closer now to our next buy-in position. Will we get there? Right, I need to take a very, very quick restroom break. All my viewers watching me now, I just got to take a 2-minute break. I'll see you back in a couple of minutes, and don't go away. Just going to take a 2-minute restroom break, and I'll be right back with you. We're looking to see what Virgin Galactic will drop to. If it goes to 920 or below, I'll buy back in again, and we'll try and trade again tomorrow like we did today, and slowly edge forward. Right now, we're up 1.88%. Of course, we've got the day trader of the day competition coming up in a minute, and we've also got tomorrow. We've got the cash giveaway as well. 26 likes now on the video. Absolutely great. Thank you ever so much, everyone, for doing that. We're going to keep our eye on SPCE. This is very encouraging, folks, that it tries to fall down, but it doesn't want to. And I don't mind. I really don't mind at all. I'd like to buy it lower. I'll buy it lower, but I don't care. I've got 920 shares. I want to see this go up to $35, $40 a share. So I have no issue with it going back up again. None whatsoever. All right. I'll say au revoir just for a minute or so. I'll see you back in a couple of minutes. Just taking a very, very short break. Don't you dare go far away. See you back in a minute. Okay, we're back in the house once again. Thank you very much indeed. Just needed a quick rest break there. Okay, Vapors Guide is here. Okay, the Vapors Guide, another one of our silver members. So, what we always do when our silver members come in, we promote them. So, Vapors Guide is here. One of our very first on our homepage of our YouTube channel. He's got 48 subscribers. So everybody, he's one of our top members. I think he's one of our gold members. Let me have a look. I think he's a gold member. Let me have a look. So we've got 48 subscribers. We want to get him to 50 right now, live in the show. So here we go. There's his channel for all to see. And whenever our members are in the show, and they have to be in the show. Yes, there he is. He's a gold member. Let's a big supporter. Without Vapors Guide, this channel wouldn't be here. We rely on our members to support the channel and keep it going. It costs money to bring this show to you, so we appreciate it very much. So Vapors Guide, he's on 48. There's his channel. I want everyone to subscribe to Vapors Guide now. He helps us and brings the market here. He brings the day trader to you by his support. So please do go and click on his YouTube channel right now. There you go. Go and support him. The Vapors Guide. He's live in the show with us today. There you go. He's a gold member live on the screen. Thank you ever so much, everyone. And I will go back in a couple of seconds and I will check. Has he moved up? Let me have a quick look. 48. Let's refresh the screen. Has he gone to 49 yet? It's a bit quick. Need to give it a couple of minutes, I would have thought. 48. I'll come back in a minute and I'll see if anyone if we've gone up at all. All right, good stuff. Thank you ever so much indeed for being here. Fantastic. All right, we're up today 2.2%. Of course, that's breaking news today. We're getting a big price movement today. The price movement. Oh, Ford is now moving up. It's had a good day today. We've seen it rise from -2 to +1. Hey, Robert Durant. Okay, you know what to do. Smash the like Robert. Smash the like Robert is in the house. Let's send some love to him. He's one of our members as well. And without our members, we wouldn't be here. Tomorrow, of course, we've got the cash giveaway. Smash the like Robert. Awesome. Price movement this morning is coming in all places. Beyond Meat is now lifting up again. McDonald's is up 1%. Tesla is up 2.5%. Rivian shot up this morning. It's just edging back now. SPCE is now falling back. We took a trade. We made some money. And we're hoping to, well, not hoping. If it goes below 920, I'll buy in. But if it goes up, I don't mind that either. I'm winning both ways round. Okay, Lucid is now up 6.67%. Fantastic. Lucid is one of my best stocks. I made a lot of money on Lucid. I made $1,000 on Lucid. I sold out. I took my profits. And now it's pumping back up again. I wished I was back in. Unfortunately, I can't do anything at the moment. I'm locked into Virgin Galactic. Right. Bill said he's done it. Let's have a look. Vapors Guide was 48. Let's refresh the screen. Where's he now? 49. There we go. He's gaining a subscriber. We need one more to help out Vapors Guide. It's because of him and all the members we are here. So we are our gold members particularly. They are our premium members. We've got to support them because they support us. Thank you ever so much. We'll come back in a minute and see if we can get up even higher. All right. Let's see where we are now. Done before Martyn. Thank you, guys. Wonderful stuff. We're growing every day. Ford just dropping back slightly. Beyond Meat just dropping back now. McDonald's dropping back, but up 1% today. Tesla is up 2.65. Rivian is now dropping back. Couldn't make a trade there this morning. Virgin Galactic, do you know what? Look, it doesn't want to go lower. This is great. This is great. I'm really, really happy. I don't need to worry about this right now. This is looking much, much better. So we'll take right now. Right, it's time for the day trader of the day. And let's see if we can get our Vapors Guide up to 50 subscribers. He's at 49. Let's have a quick look. He's now at still at 49. We'll come back to that. I want to get him to. I want him to go up one more subscriber. Get to 50. Right. There's his link right there in the chat. All our silver members get promoted this way. Without them, this channel wouldn't be here. All right, 42.3. We've gained nearly $1,000 today. 900. There we go. $900 today at 2.17. So let's do the day trader of the day competition. So don't post until I bring up the timer. Up 2.2%. All right. Don't post until I give you the timer. Get ready, everybody. Okay, get ready for it. Just before we do it, we're going to pay the bills and run a very quick ad. You can skip the ad, remember, as always. So here we go. There's an ad coming up right now. All right, see you back now. Fantastic. Some of you are back. Some of you are watching the ad. That's fine. Okay. Right, day trader of the day. Get ready. Now, if you're not up to date with me now, this is when you need to refresh the screen to make sure that you are up to date. Wait for it, Vapors Guide. Are you ready? Let's bring in the timer. Let's get ready now. The 1 minute timer on the clock. When you see it, you can start to post your scores. Vapors Guide is already in. Let's go. 1 minute from now. There we go. I'm up 2.22. And we've got, that's my score on the screen now, 2.22. We've got Vapors Guide is up 1.2. Bill is up 4%. Fantastic. Is Bill going to win this morning? That'd be nice. Robert Durant is down 0.01. Commiserations to you, Robert. Sorry about that, my friend. Bill is up 4. Let's call Bill the winner so far. 18 seconds to go. Who's it going to be? Who's it going to be? Ford is just edging back again now. Beyond Meat is pumping up. McDonald's. Here we go. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. All right. Who was the winner then? It looks like it's Bill. I'll give you a couple of seconds, but the clock is now up. So that's it. The clock is up. The time is done. Queen Yourself Braiding's just come in, and we're going to give the winner today to Bill. Congratulations, Bill. Thank you for sharing your honest trades. Give us a thumbs up, and also, of course, give a big round of applause. There we go. Nice one, Bill. Good stuff. There we go, Bill. How can you be up 4% though on SPCE? Did you buy? Did you buy? Oh, I see. I get it. I can see how you're up there. Yes, of course, I can get it. Your portfolio is mainly Virgin Galactic. That makes sense. Now I get it. Yes, of course. All SPCE. Yeah. Congratulations, Bill. Very, very well done indeed. There we go. Bill is the winner today. Absolutely awesome. And Bill has been subscribing to all the channels today. He's coming with 3 accounts. Absolutely fantastic. We love it. So let's go over to Vapors Guide. Did we get him to 50 subscribers? 49. Let's refresh it. Oh, it's still at 49. We want one more. Is there one person who has not yet subscribed to Vapors Guide? Of course, as we get more and more subscribers, join our channel. We will share and help and promote all our members. Great stuff. Right. 42,000. We're up 2% today. Looking good. Now then. Are we able? It looks like Virgin Galactic doesn't want to fall down. It's found its bottom. Will it go to $6? I mean, some people are rumoring it'll go to a penny stock. It's a joke, I can't believe it. I mean, bloody hell. you'd certainly be in line for a serious profit if you could buy in at that level, wouldn't you? But we shall see. We shall see. Virgin Galactic now is 9.5%, $9.50. It's holding. I took 13 shares this morning, sold. Bought at 9.20, sold at 9.23. I know it's only a few cents profit, but it's a profit nevertheless, and put some money back in my buying power. So I'm okay with that. But this is great today. What a green day. Up 2%. That's great. We're happy with that. How does that look on the overall chart? You can see it's just a blip here. It's nothing, but it's a green day. I'll take it. There we go. If we scroll down the overall portfolio and see where we're at today, it's a much, much more positive day. Tesla up 2.5%. Rivian is down. SPC is up 4%. GGPR is 1%. Lucy's up 5%. Hood's up 3%. Palantir is down 3.46. PayPal's up 3%. Immersion is up 0.48. Harp 0.55. On 0.5 up. Rolls-Royce flat. Boeing is up 0.91. Apple is up 1.55. Johnson Johnson up 0.1. Google up 0.146. Much better day, as you can see. Much more green in the market today. Very, very nice indeed. All my dividend stocks that are making money as well now. Very good. My ETFs. Very, very nice. Much, much better. Most of my portfolio now is green. Most of my portfolio today is making money. Very, very good. We've got big moves today in the crypto scene. Look at this. All crypto today is up massive. Look at that. Ethereum, Ethereum Classic, Doge, Bitcoin, they're all correlating together. Fantastic. Much, much better day. Much, much better day. Great stuff. All right, let's have a look now at the, in more detail, we'll go and look at our Bitcoin position. Let's go over to it now. Here's Ethereum, first of all, up 3.7%. That's much better. What a lift off today. Doge is up nearly 3% today. Huge lift off today. 3.5% with Bitcoin. 43. Look at that. I'm very close to entering the market of coming to the money again now. 28 likes, by the way. 28 likes. This is very, very good by 9 o'clock in the morning. Absolutely fantastic. What a wonderful morning it is. Things are much, much healthier. Much, much better. This is absolutely wonderful news. I can't even say how excited I am. It's just brilliant. If you want to become a member, this is what happens. And here's the invitation to join. You get lots of benefits and perks. You help support the channel. And we give back to you more than you ever give to us. There's always more coming your way. If you become a subscriber, that's what happens. And we hope you do. I am back. Did I miss the day trader of the day? Yes, you did. I bought 10 this morning for a day trade. What did you buy 10 this morning of? What did you buy 10 of? 4 did pop up. Oh, 10 of DWAC. Oh dear, we're on about that again. All right, what's DWAC doing? What's DWAC doing? Let's talk about it. People love this. Oh dear. Let's have a look at it. DWAC is up today. It's up 4%. Did you make some? Well, I guess you've made some money if you bought it this morning, right? I bought 10 this morning for a day trade. Nice. Okay. Well, you're up nearly 5% today. Get well, Mark. Oh, there we go. Get well, Mark. Queen of Self-Braiding, I think, is watching the repeat. Queen of Self-Braiding is behind us, watching the repeat, I think, to catch up with us. Ford has popped up. Nice. Beyond Me has popped up. Oh, Paul B came over from TikTok and subbed to your channels. Paul B. Well, thank you very much indeed, Paul. Very, very nice of you to be here. I'm glad you come over from TikTok. There's so much more to see here on the on the show. Thank you very much indeed. Welcome, welcome. Well, we got a new subscriber here today. Thank you, Paul B, for being here. First of all, we would love to know a bit about you and welcome you to the family. So, Paul B, where are you from? Now, it looks like you're from England because you're showing a football pitch there. I'm from Cornwall in England, but my studio is here in Texas. And please tell us where you're from, and all my family of traders will do the same thing. So could we all welcome Paul B in to the show, everybody? Paul B, let us know where you're from, and we'd love to hear from you. So full disclosure, Paul, just so you know, this is my TV studio. I was actually voted World Piano Man. I'm a musician. I'm not a financial advisor. But what I do is I trade by daytime here in my studio. And if you have a look behind me, this is my TV studio where I go live every day and do live concerts, live music, what have you. And by daytime, I trade here, and I trade live every day for the opening and closing bell. It's a live trading show. We trade live, and we also do long-term invest as well. So welcome to our channel. We're live here every morning for the opening and closing bell. If you look on our YouTube channel, you'll see all the upcoming shows. It's like a TV guide, and it will show you the our channel. Let me show you here. Here we are. If you look here, look, the upcoming live streams, you see all the events for the week and what's coming up. They're always there for you. There we go. Vapors Guide is welcome you in. And we do have a membership if you're interested, and you gain lots of, if you are a YouTuber and you'd like to promote your YouTube channel, we have a plan for that. If you are a member, you can get lots of subscribers to your YouTube channel, because what we do is we put our silver and gold members here on the homepage of my YouTube channel. These are some of the members, look here, and we grow all their subscribers every day. We put the links in the chat, and we also feature them on the homepage. Plus, we give cash giveaways on Friday. Plus, I have stocks and shares to give away, all if you are a member. So, Paul said he's from the WEBULL in Liverpool, and that football stadium is Manchester United. I'm a Manchester United fan. Welcome, Paul. I can learn more currently invested in crypto. Well, what we do here, everything is real. Everything on this channel is real. This is my real money. I've grown my portfolio from $5,500 live on the show up to 58, but we've had a couple of months now of correction, and we've dropped all the way down to here. But in the last couple of days, we're starting to see things improve. As you can see on the hour, and as you can see on the day, I'm up nearly $1,000 today. Much, much better. So, let me give you the All Links button. The All Links button will give you all the free stocks and shares we give away. It'll also give you the link to the Discord group if you want to be part of that, and chat to our traders and learn from everybody. And everybody will tell you the truth. One thing that we have here is everyone is a real trader, real investor. This is their real money. And we have a competition every day who the day trader of the day is. But also we give a cash giveaway on Fridays. So if you want to become a member, here is the invitation. Here is the invitation to join and support the channel and gain many, many perks. One of those, of course, is the cash giveaway on Friday. Here are some of our members. Let's bring in the bronze members right now. Here we go. And here are some of the perks. If you're interested in becoming a member, I'll share with you the perks on the screen. These are some of the benefits that you get as a member. And the idea is this channel is here to support people and also to guide and support when you're up and when you're down. But also it's to make money. So the perks are designed, you're supporting the channel, but it's supposed to give back more than you put in. Okay? You get exclusive content, you get email, weekly newsletter, you get happy birthday sung to you on your birthday, and the day before, the day after, and on the day. Also, you can have an online concert. I was voted by Elton John as the World Piano Man. You get that for free. People pay $500 to hire me, for that online concert, but you get that free as a member. So if you want to have a party in your house and invite all your friends round in front of the big TV on YouTube, I actually will sing you a live concert for your birthday, or your mum or your wife or whoever you want to dedicate it to. But as a member, you get that. If you want to promote your YouTube channel, and I also do that for you as well if you become a silver or gold member. All right, there you go. And the link is in the chat there for you now. All right. Okay. What you're seeing here is my real trades, my real position. This is my real money. And the biggest thing at the moment is SPCE. We've had a huge drop in SPCE over the last few weeks. One thing that you can do over there in the UK is that you can get the ETORO account. And ETORO, when you set it up and you fund it, they give me $40 if you've funded it and so on and so forth. And I give you $10 back. It doesn't always happen. It depends on your account. I've had it happen a couple of times, and some other times it's not happened. But if they pay me $40, I give you $10 back. But here is the eToro link. And by you doing so, you get $10 cash from me. COINBASE, if you use my link, you get a free $10 of Bitcoin. Here is your COINBASE link. If you set up crypto.com and you with my referral, there is $25 US. One good tip I will give you, I use COINBASE, and COINBASE will give you free stocks, free crypto all the time. I don't know if you've ever done it before. It's called Learn and Earn. And I'll share with you right now so you can see me do it. If you use my COINBASE referral, let me go into the account and I'll show you. It's called Learn and Earn. Here it is. Let me share on the screen with you. This is another way for you to earn free money. There you go. Learn and Earn from COINBASE. If I click on it right now, you'll see this is my actual COINBASE account. And there you go. I can earn some money right now. As you see, look, I can earn $1 right now if I just run through this little thing here. And these are money I've already earned, look. And basically all the money in my COINBASE account, 110, it's all free money. I've been earning money for free, and you can do exactly the same by getting that account. All of that is on the All Links button. It's all there for you, and I hope that helps you in any way we can. All right? If you want to chat to the team as well, here is the Discord group. I'll put that in the chat, but all of it is under the All Links button as well. And there we go. The portfolio is just dropping back slightly. Rivian is just now falling back this morning. Virgin Galactic's holding its position, which is interesting. It's holding its position. I was going to buy it back in at 9.20, but it doesn't seem like it wants to. Let's bring in our silver members. Here we go. On the screen now for you. If you become a member, that's what happens on the screen. Everybody will see it. And or if you become a subscriber, this is what will happen. I don't know why, actually, we didn't see your subscription come up earlier. Because I can see you've subscribed, because we've now got 1,967 subscribers. I don't know why that didn't show up. Very peculiar. But it normally does. Anyway, if you've just tuned in, we're 2 away. We're 2 away. We're trying to get to 30 likes on the video. So if you haven't yet smashed the like button, let's see if we can get to 30 likes. We've got 28. If you've not yet liked the video, smash the like button. That's your ticket price for watching the show. Just smash the like button and let's try and get us to 30 likes today. We're at 28, which is very, very good. Thank you very much for doing that. I appreciate you very much indeed. All right. Virgin Galactic, we're looking to make a trade if it goes below 920. It doesn't look like it's going to do it, which is great overall, of course, because I want it to go back up to $20 a share and then onwards from there. Let's look at our crypto right now. A Bitcoin is up 3% today. Absolutely fantastic. This is some of the news we're covering as well today. This is NFT metaverse focused Animoca brands raise 360 million at 5 billion valuation. Are you in the metaverse? I have to say it's something that doesn't interest me at all. And remember, you only invest in things that you believe, understand, feel calm with, relaxed with. Don't just buy everything because everybody else is. That's buying what you believe in. United Airlines. We've got some sad news here. United Airlines cuts capacity forecast, flags cost pressure on Omicron turmoil. Of course, we're seeing all the flights around the world suffer because of the Omicron, but we are seeing a peak, it seems, in the UK, which is very, very good. Rev, I've got shares in Rev, has some way to go to become a multi-bagger. And Microsoft as well. Activision deal gives merger speculators a new darling. So Microsoft, Activision, big news there for Microsoft. In fact, we need to go and look at Microsoft's position right now. Let's have a look. Microsoft, how's that doing? I had a position in that. I've sold out recently. Let's pan out for the last 3 months. Yeah, I sold it up here. It's fallen down. We are down at the moment over the last year. So it's in a bit of a slump at the moment. So not a bad time to buy in for Microsoft. Looking at that, it could be a good time to buy in for Microsoft right now. It's in a bit of a dip. It does offer a dividend as well. Down 4% today. Queen of Self-Braiding. Looks like the Queen of Self-Braiding is running behind the show. It looks like she's running behind. You need to refresh your screen. The Queen. Microsoft, my buy-in price is 280. Yep, it's not bad though. If you look at it, it's very, very strong. I mean, it's literally a one-way ticket. It's straight up. Very, very good. But over the year, if we look at it, up 42%. But over the last few months, it's dropped back a bit. I sold it here. I bought it back here somewhere around May, June. Sold it here, but it has fallen back quite a bit. My buy-in is 280. That's quite a bit, isn't it? You want it to come to 280, which will be around about... Yeah, you want it around about this position here. Will it go that low? I don't know. If you look at its 5-year plan, that's a reasonable dip, that is. Over 5 years, a dip like that is where it is now. So overall, long term, it's not a bad dip right now. It's up 2% today. It's not a bad one. It's in my list. It's one of my shares to be very interested in. It looks like the Queen of Self-Braiding is running behind because she's sharing us her day trading position. I don't know if you're up to date with us right now, but it looks like you're behind. I wish there was some way I could message everybody and say you need to drag your timeline along, but it looks like she's running behind us. Ford is up nearly 1% today. Congratulations, Bill. Look, she's running. She literally is running 20 minutes behind us. Have you noticed that? She's just congratulated Bill from winning. She's literally 20 minutes behind us. That's really funny. She doesn't even know, because obviously what I'm saying now will be in 20 minutes. So all I can say is, let's hope she gets to where we are now in 20 minutes and refreshes the screen. This is funny. She's actually watching 20 minutes behind. So drag your screen, drag your timeline along. She just congratulated Bill for winning the competition, which is 25 minutes ago. That's quite funny, right? There's nothing I can do. I mean, there's nothing I can do. I'm talking to her. I'm talking to her in the future, but she'll hear this in the future. It's quite odd, isn't it? Really. Rivian is down 1.34% this morning. Okay, Rivian is going down again. A good time to buy in with Rivian as well. Virgin Galactic. Now, what I could do, I'll tell you what I could do this morning. Let me pan out. I could buy Rivian this morning. Yeah, Rivian at 68, 67. I quite fancy it now. I know I've not got much money. But I have got 127. I wouldn't mind buying Rivian because Rivian is down and down and down now. There we go. It doesn't look like SPCE is gonna drop now. It looks like it's holding there, which is fine. So Rivian right now is looking good. Let me look at Lucid. Yeah, Lucid is still a bit too tasty, but Rivian. Can I buy 2 shares of Rivian? 136. No, not quite. Wonder how low that's going to go. 127. Rivian. I wonder if I can get Rivian this morning for 120. Get two shares of it. It's at 68. It's falling right now. Remember sells and be able to message in these cases maybe. Oh, I could, I could, I could send her a text. Well, she knows. At the end of the day, she knows. She can see from the time. She can see from the time. She can see her buffering. She knows she's behind. She might want to watch it. She might be enjoying watching it behind. Who knows? I don't know. She might not want to catch up. She might not. She might be thinking, I don't want to miss anything. I'm going to watch it all. So Rivian is falling now. Hey, 67. Can I buy 2 shares for 127 bucks? Might buy 1. And my average is 94. I wouldn't mind buying 1, I have to be honest. Wouldn't mind buying 1 at that price. Yeah, I'm going to buy 1. Whoops, going a bit further. I got Cat yesterday to limit 218. Good buy-in for Cat. I bought more this morning. My cash reserve now is below 5%. Waiting for oil and shippers to come in and replenish cash. Oh, I'm glad to see your cash is finally running out. You are like the rest of us. You do end up spending it at some point. Down. I'm gonna. I like the fact Rivian is falling down so much. I'm gonna buy one. I'm gonna buy 1 there. Review order. 67.80. I bought 1. Yeah, I bought 1 at 67.92. Right, so we'll put that onto the list to sell, to trade. Okay, so Rivian, I've got now a position again to trade. Rivian is 1 at, what did I get that one for? Let me scroll down and see. 67.92. 67.92. Okay. Oh, good. I might be able to make some money today. 67.92. All right. Sell that one. So that was 67.92. $68.21. I just bought it at $67.90. Watching it now, 68.39. Ooh. Okay, I'll take that one. 68.65. I made 70 cents. But I'll do that. Okay. I'll do that. I've done that. So there we go. So I've sold that one. So we'll do it again now. So let's clear that one off. Clear that Rivian share off. Just refreshed. There you go. I thought she was behind. The Queen of Self-Braiding. We've been having some fun with you this morning because it was so funny. You were congratulating Bill for winning the competition, 25 minutes behind. Really, really funny. So there she is. Oh, Duchak's here as well. Duchak's here. Congratulations, mate. Right, we got 29 likes now. One away from 30. Can I get one more like? Is it possible to get one more like on the screen? The Queen of Self-Braiding's refreshed. That's brilliant. Hi, Queenie, just waiting for you to refresh. That was awesome. Okay, I just made $1. Hi, Duchak. Fantastic. Everyone's here today. Lovely stuff. Right. Okay, I just made $1 on Rivian. We're waiting for that to go lower again now. We'll do it again. Let's see if we can... Oh, 30 likes. Wow, 30th like from me. Paul B. Hey, look at that. What a star. What a legend. That's the way to go, mate. Thank you ever so much indeed. Appreciate it very much indeed. 30 likes. Great stuff. We're a new channel. We're growing slowly. It takes a little while to get it going. We've been going 6 months. We're live here every morning, every evening for the opening and closing bell. We've just made another trade there with Rivian. Not made a lot of money, but it's okay. I've lowered my average, and I'd made $1. I'm happy to make $1. Trust me, I am. Right. We'll do it again now. Will it go down again? $67.92. If I can get it under 68 again, I'll do it again. SPCE. It's popped back up again. This is great. I've now got in my portfolio, just keep increasing the money all the time, $128 now. There we go. I started 127 this morning. Got 128. Hi, Paddy. Hi, Duchak. 30th. We got a new friend of the family. He's not a member, but he has subscribed, and He's a guest of the family right now. If he comes back tomorrow or this afternoon for the closing bell, he will be a friend of the family. Right now, he's a guest. It's Paul B from England. He's a Manchester United fan. Old Trafford, I love that. I went to Old Trafford years ago to watch Beckham play. And if you've not welcomed Paul B in yet, by the way, please do. If it's any of our members' birthday today, please let me know and I'll do you happy birthday in the studio. I'll go back to the piano right there and I will sing you happy birthday. So if it is your birthday today, let me know. And you have your birthday song. Love to do that for you. Right, we're up 2.45% today. We're having a really, really great day. Things are much, much more improved. This is fantastic. So here we go. We're going to make a trade again with Rivian. If it falls back again. Oh, it's going up now. Nice. Looks like today is a good day for you, Marty. It is. Much, much better. I've done a few trades. I've made a few bucks. Not much. Maybe I've made $2 today in trading. But my actual portfolio is up today by $1,048. I'm very thankful for that. Ford is up now. Beyond Meats is popping up. McDonald's is popping up today. Tesla is doing well at 3.66. Rivian. We just done it. We just bought here and sold here. We've done a trade there. Ethereum is up today, nearly 4%. That's my Ethereum, my Doge position. Here's my Bitcoin position. It's 12% of my portfolio right now. So we're starting to improve there too. Very, very nice. Virgin Galactic up 4.79 now. We're waiting for it to drop back down again. We're waiting for Rivian to drop back down again. I bought Rivian at 95. That's Jacob Balliser, I think it is. Jacob Blazer. If you are one of our serious traders, join us here on YouTube. That's where the main show is. Click the profile link in the top left-hand corner and come on in. That's exactly what Paul B did today. He was watching me on TikTok and he came in from YouTube. It's much, much better experience for you. And also here in the on the day trader, you have many more advantages as well. Tomorrow is cash giveaway. Every Friday, tomorrow in the show, we'll be giving away some cash to our members. You need to be a member to be in that competition. Here is the members competition. Look, this is tomorrow. Let me share this with you right now. These are all our members. And tomorrow we're doing this. So let me share with you right now. Here we go. This is the competition tomorrow. As you can see, let me just clear the overlay. Just 1 second. Here we go. Just clear that off the screen. All right. This is our competition tomorrow. These are our members. And there are 23 members all in the cash giveaway. The cash giveaway is tomorrow. And we'll have a little practice, shall we? We'll have a little practice one. Here we go. We'll do one now. Who's going to win the $1 million? Here we go. The winner is... This is a practice for tomorrow. Bill Shin Dynasty. Bill just won the cash prize. Of course, that's tomorrow. That wasn't the actual one. So we'll do it again tomorrow. So join us tomorrow for the live raffle. Let's go back now to our live ticker. There it is. Watch that across the screen. Gives you all the figures you need. All right, now, Rivian. Let's go back to it again now. We are seeing it... level out there. I just made a profit on that. My portfolio is up to 2.57. 42 over $1,000 today. Much, much better. Very, very excited about it. Good stuff. All right, it's time for a quick pay the bills. This is where we run a very, very quick ad. And you can skip the ad, of course. And Be right with us again. Just 10 seconds from now. Are you ready? Okay, here we go. And I'll be right back in 10 seconds from now. There you go. It was even quicker than 10 seconds. It always is. 42.5 is great. So much better to see things improving like this. Ford is up 1.29 today, doing very nicely. Beyond Meat. Julius Caesar mentioned this one was a good idea. McDonald's is up as well today, 1%. No, sorry, 0.79. Tesla story of the day. Let's put a price alert on that. Tesla is up nearly 3.5% today. There we go. Really, really good. Breaking news. Tesla 3.47. Big push today. Rivian. We've just lowered our averages and we've just made profit on one share. We're waiting to do it again if it drops again. SPCE is holding today. This is great. Oh, it's pushing up. There we go. 5.17. Let's go over to the SPCE chart and let's have a look. Yes, we're seeing lots of buying coming in now. Let me share that with you. Look at this. Look at this today, folks. A lot of green candles coming in now. More buying in than is selling. That's much, much better. That's why we're up 5.34. Hopefully we can get over $10 a day. I don't think so. I don't think there's any great news coming yet, but nevertheless, this is very, very nice. Much, much better. 5.34. I've gained $440 today on that one, so I'm really, really happy with that. That's really, really good news. GGPI at 1.26. Lucid is up 4.55. Not able to buy back in there yet. Need to fall down a bit. Robinhood up 4.5%. Great. I'm up $85 there today. I've got enough invested in that. Peloton is down 1.41. PayPal is up 3.26. Just 20% to go now to start making money with PayPal. It's not there yet. Immersion's up 2%. I'm still down 9%, but we are seeing some big improvements. This is great. How can I start trading? Marvelous Victor. Well, join us here on YouTube, Marvelous Victor. That's how to do it. I can help you. Join us on YouTube. There we go. He's just asking me over on TikTok, how can I start trading? Be on YouTube. That's how to do it. The link's in the profile. Just click it and you'll come across. Very, very easy. And breaking news today, a lot of price movement, a lot of things, excuse me, a lot of things moving upwards today in my portfolio. I've held my position and I'm very happy I did. Absolutely fantastic. Really, really good day today. As you can see, everything is moving up across the board. The portfolio is up now nearly 3%. Oh, what a day. What a day. What a day. What cryptocurrency do you follow or own? I own Ethereum. I have 3% of my portfolio is Ethereum, $1,273. There it is on the screen for you. Let me zoom in so you can see all the information. There you go. 3% of my portfolio, 1273. And also I have Bitcoin. As you can see, it's at 11.9% of my portfolio, so I'm very in with it. I'm currently down, but I'm overall I'm up many thousands of dollars. My portfolio, I started with $5,500 and grew all the way up to $58,000. I've sold Bitcoin many, many times, made a lot of money out of it, but I obviously bought in again at the latest prices. But it's a very, very big part of my portfolio. In fact, 11.9%. So we're very happy with that today. That the fact it's up over 3% today. So there you go. That's what I own. Let's go over to the main portfolio now. We're at over 3%, 42.6. So I'll show you. I started the portfolio here in May, and I grew it to $58,000, all from $5,500, all from $5,500, and we've now had some really, really rough correction weeks. Everybody, and the reason for most of that is I have a huge position in SPCE, and everybody's selling out because they think SPCE is going to go to zero and God knows what else. It's not at all. The reason why it's sold out is because we are building the rockets now. We've tested the rockets. We proved it works. And Sir Richard Branson now is building the rockets, getting ready for mass flying. He's got 100 tickets already sold. It's going to be the #1 space tourism company in the world, no question about it, and that's why it's currently 21% of my portfolio. But in real terms, it's actually more like 50% because I've dropped over 50% on this one. But I've been buying the dips, lowering my averages. This is going to make me so much money, it's unbelievable. And as it goes up, I'll be trimming off the top. We've had a great day today, so I'm going to put a price alert on that. We're up 6% today on Virgin Galactic. Virgin Galactic today is up 6%, and there it is. Breaking news there. Okay. This is fantastic. We're seeing some great movement here today. And what we're going to actually do now, we're going to actually go into... We're going to go into our stream right now, and we're going to update this. We're going to update now so everyone can see Virgin Galactic is lifting off today. Did not expect this so soon at all, because there's no good news yet. Have we reported our scores? Yes, we have. Dr. Smith, are you behind? Do you need to catch up where we are? Because we did our scores 48 minutes ago. But you know what? We will do it again, though. We will do it again in 10 minutes. So refresh the screen. Make sure you're up to date. I think you're watching behind. I don't know why. You could be. I have meetings. I missed it. Oh, okay. We'll do it again in a minute. We'll do it again. We're having a great day today. Virgin Galactic is up nearly 6%, over 6%. And we're having an almighty day today. This is fantastic. So I'm going to go into the show right now and update the title. SPCE Lift Off. Up 6%. Fan flipping tastic. I love it. I wonder if I can do this. It's very difficult sometimes to do these things when you're on air, but I'm going to try. Because this is really great now for Virgin Galactic. I did not expect this to come so soon, but we'll take it anyway. SPCE is lifting off. It's great news. I've called it breaking news now. I have a 13.98 on SPCE. Very, very nice. I've got a trade coming up at 11.25. So that is really, really good. Let's see if we can make some money out of SPCE today. This is very, very good. This is fantastic. Very exciting. Market Profits just joined us. My next trade is 660. Today's bounce is purely technical. Well, whether it's technical, whatever it might be, we've made money on it. I've traded it a couple of times, and I'm okay with that. But I know where you're going. I know where you're going, Market Profit. I understand fully what you're saying. But I'll take it. A profit is a profit. And we're just now changing the title of our video because we want people to be aware of this. And I'm getting a lot of interest now. People are searching for the channel for SPCE. They want to come in and see what's going on here right now. Market Profit. Let me put his comment on the screen. He's saying this is purely technical. But at the end of the day, I bought 920 a share at 920 today and sold it. I admittedly only for 923. I didn't benefit from all of this, but each time I do it, it gets a bit more. It was oversold on the RSI over last few days. It might even break over 10 today. Well, let's certainly hope so. I hope it encourages people to buy back in again, who don't understand how good Virgin Galactic is going to be in the future. It doesn't matter if it doesn't make profit right now. We've discussed that before, but I hope people buy in because they understand where it's going. Right, here we go. We're going to bring this in. Okay, SPCE Lift Off. I know it's not the lift off that we're talking about. There's no good news at all yet for Virgin Galactic. This is a temporary thing. I've been saying it all the time, but at the end of the day, if you can make a profit on it, go with it. I'm ready to buy more. Anything below 920, I'll buy. I'm not really bothered about 660, and the reason why I'm not bothered about this 660 figure that's been bandied around. Some people are even talking about a penny stock, is because the upward potential of this stock long term far outweighs the downside. The upside to this stock is far greater than the downside. So I don't care whether it's 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, couldn't care less. That doesn't matter to me. I'm not interested in that. Of course, the cheaper I can get it, the better. I get it. I understand that. But at the end of the day, I couldn't care less about 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. I'm interested in where the stock's going to be in time, 100, 200, 500, whatever it might be in the future. The potential profits for Virgin Galactic in the future are massive. So I don't really care. It's like going into a Ferrari garage and going, right, this is $1 million car. And the guy goes, well, I can give you a discount. You know, I can knock off, $1 or $2 or $3. Who cares? It's the overall value of this stock. So that's my theory on it. That's my belief on it, and that's why I'm always bullish on all my stocks. So we're watching it right now. Thank you, Market Profit, for sharing. Like Space, I am waiting for it to 10x. Even if I'm down 40% now, totally. Martin Redding, you're totally right. Who cares if you buy it for 6, 7, 5? It's immaterial. It's immaterial. I don't understand why people are so bothered about 660 or 659. You're talking about the smallest amount of negativity compared to the future possibilities. It's irrelevant. It's totally irrelevant. Today was a good trading for Virgin. I think by March we should see where the actual price settles on this. I am thinking 660 by mid-February before we get a slow real price discovery back. Okay? That's a good point. Like Spce, I am waiting for it to 10x, even if I'm down 40% now. Totally, I'm exactly the same. Remember, on every stock that I hold, I'm glad you guys agree with what I'm saying here. Who cares? Who cares about the buying it at 6 or 5? I mean, it's why this morning I bought 13 shares at 9.20. I don't care. It's not important if it goes another $1 less. We're talking about a stock which could make me tens of thousands of dollars profit. Who cares if I save 10 cents on a stock? It doesn't matter. Because traders are different than investors. Investors don't care about technicals or fundaments, and traders rely on fundamentals and signals on how to trade the stock. No, you're absolutely right. I get what you're saying. But you can still make money on it. I mean, the thing is, if you make lots of micro trades, they add up. I mean, look, proof of the pudding. My portfolio started out at $5,500. I grew it to $58,000 by making micro trades. I know it's all the way back down here now. That's because people who don't understand where the future is have sold Virgin Galactic. Virgin Galactic is not down at $9.66 because it's rubbish. It's down at $9.66 for one reason and one reason alone. People have sold out. That's it. When everyone keeps telling me it won't make profit for 20 years, blah, 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 that has no value in the argument. And the reason why I say that, Bitcoin, for example, who says it's worth $1 million? Who says it's going to be a $100,000 share? Who says these things? It's just what we believe. It's what you believe in that counts. And the stock market is all about belief and confidence and so on and so forth. And at the end of the day, do you believe that SPCE is going to be huge? And is it going to make you money? Yes, it is. So then I couldn't care less about 967 or 966. But at the same time, I'm all about making profit. And micro profit. This morning you saw me make 75 cents profit overall on SPCE. I bought in at 9.20 and sold at 9.23. I bought 13 shares. I made 75 cents and I was excited about it. I made 75 cents because at the end of the day, that's another profit. Because when I invest my hard-earned money, I look at several things. I look at scalp trading, minute by minute. I look at day trading. I look at swing trading and long-term investing. The whole thing makes up the whole pie. It's not just one piece of it. It's everything, So anyway, that's my theory on it. That's what I believe. And today we're at 3.5%, 3.41%. I haven't changed my position. I haven't done anything different. I've just chipped away, making $1 here, $1 there. And all I'm doing is accumulating more and more and more stock. I don't care about value. What I do care about, I don't care about price. I care about value. I care about where the value of the stock is and the value of the company and where it's going. That's what I care about, not the price. The price is irrelevant. The price isn't about the stock or the company. The price is about us. People that don't even work at the factories. Us people, we are what determines the price. People on YouTube, people on Reddit, traders are looking on screens, looking at pictures and patterns. We determine the price. The people that actually make the products, the people that actually build the products, they're just busy building the products. That's the value. We create the price by being greedy, by selling out, by not understanding, by being influenced by other people, by charts. We're the price. The value has nothing to do with the price whatsoever. Why can't you care about both value and price when investing? Why can't you care about both value and price when investing? I care about the value. The price is irrelevant. The price has nothing to do with anything. The price is what we the traders, what we the influencers, what we the people on Reddit and Twitter and YouTube are shouting about. Do you think Richard Branson cares less about this price? Do you think Elon Musk cares less? He's even said it. Elon Musk has said he couldn't care less about the price. Elon Musk doesn't even invest. He's told you. I think he has shares in like 2 companies. He doesn't even. He's too busy. Elon Musk doesn't even have time for meetings. He doesn't have time to come on YouTube and chit chat to me or anybody else. He's too busy building cars, and that's what they should be doing. We are the crazy people running around trying to make money, whereas the real products of what we're investing in are just busy there making the products. The price is irrelevant. At the end of the day, I look at this now and go, I've lost all that money. What I've done is I've added to my positions. I've got many more shares. Let's say if I had 1,000 shares here of all companies added up together, I've probably got 5,000 shares now. And when all these prices, these immaterial prices rebound, and a few people decide to buy in with Virgin again, my 5 months of growth will come back in 5 minutes. In no time at all, I'll be back up here again. No time at all, because now I own a lot more shares than I did when I started. BA, you were talking about. Let's have a look. BA. Where is it? Boeing. There it is. Oh, yes. 1.93 today. Fantastic. I've not yet made any money from Boeing. I've just been waiting and waiting and waiting. You have an interesting way of investing, Martyn. Yeah, I do. I will tell you right now, all my life, I've created my own path. My brother says I live in a bubble. When are you going to come out of your bubble? But I live in my own bubble. I live in my own world, and it's worked for me. My bubble, my way of thinking has led me to a wonderful life. I am happy, healthy. I have financially, I have no car loan. I have no mortgage. I own my own house. I've worked hard. I've never had anything from anyone. I've never had any free handouts. No one's ever sponsored me. No one's ever given me any money. Since I was 16 years of age, I left home and I've paid off my mortgage. I've traveled to 195 countries, seen the world, had my own theatre show, and now built up a portfolio with $5,500 just because I see where the future is and where the world is going, and never been cared less about the price. Just focus on value of where the world is going. And I know I'm crazy, and I know I'm an oddball, and I know I'm different, but I don't follow anyone. I don't try to influence or do anything. I just do my own thing. I sit here in my studio every day, talking to 30 people around the world, and slowly we're growing. Slowly we're growing, and I'm doing my thing, and I'm enjoying myself, and I've got a great family of friends who support me, and what the hell? I make my own path. But in economics, price discovery dictates value. Price discovery dictates value. I don't know. I don't know. Why is price what price is? Why is price the price it is? Isn't it interesting that in every country Everyone's economies are different, but everyone has about the same. Like, it's like electricity is a fifth of the price it is in America. It is in England. It's cheap in America, and in England we're all scared to turn the lights on. In England, our fuel is 5 times what you pay for gas because of our taxes we put on it. It's not the actual gas price; it's the taxes. But everybody ultimately has about the same. Prices are set, so global markets can. I mean, why is a pint of milk £1? Why a price of milk could be £100? It doesn't matter what the price is. It has to fit the economy, otherwise no one could buy it. And they couldn't say price. They couldn't say tomorrow gas is $1,000 a gallon because nobody would buy it. The price is whatever someone's prepared to pay for it, right? Price can be anything. So here, prices are just numbers on screens that people make up. And the only reason prices go up is because everyone buys it. Nothing happened. Tesla didn't make a better car. It just, a load of people just sat on their computers and pressed buy. That's all that happened. You have an interesting way of investing, Martyn. Yeah, I know I do. Good job, mate. That's the way to do it. If you're into crypto, which you are, why are you so early with this market in the growth? Over the next 5-10 years, your portfolio will rocket. If you're into crypto, which you are so early with this market, the growth over the next 5-10 years takes, yes, I believe it will. I absolutely do believe that Bitcoin and Ethereum are the future. I don't care what anyone on YouTube tells me. And here's another thing, right? People on YouTube lie. People on YouTube, I don't. I tell you as I see it. But people on YouTube, a lot of YouTubers, they lie. They corrupt, they influence, and I'm going to call it out the way it is. BitBoy, one of the biggest YouTubers for Bitcoin. He said, when it hits 40,000, I'm going to sell all my Bitcoin. Everybody starts selling, the price goes down. Well, you can see on the Bitcoin charts when he bought Bitcoin. He bought it when it was falling again, when he was telling everybody he was going to sell it. And when it hit 40,000, did he sell it? No. What he said was, oh, well, when it goes to 39, I'll sell it. He hasn't sold it. People don't know what's going to happen. People are trying to influence it. People are making up stories. People said that Bitcoin would hit 100,000 by the end of the year. It didn't come close. But that doesn't mean to say I don't believe in Bitcoin. Bitcoin doesn't know that we're all waiting for it to get to 100,000. Bitcoin isn't a living thing. Bitcoin is based on all of us getting greedy because we want to make money. Bitcoin doesn't know what it is. Bitcoin is just a mathematical equation being solved on lots of mining machines. That's all it is. But human beings will make Bitcoin priceless. Bitcoin will go to whatever Bitcoin goes to because of all of us getting greedy. Price discovery goes the same. Goes for stocks. Price discovery goes the same. Goes for stocks. If you want Virgin to go to $100, it will need to charge millions of dollars per seat and launch these flights hundreds of times a day. No, I don't agree with that. No, I don't agree with that at all. How can you say that? How can you say that when Virgin Galactic, right here, right in front of everyone, here, it touched $55 a share. Here, hang on, let me clear that a minute. Right, hang on a minute. It went to $55 a share, right there. Right there. Hang on, let me get over it. Right, $55 a share it went to, right there. At this point, it didn't even have customers. At this point, it wasn't even selling tickets. At this point, it was simply test flights. And it went to $55. That has nothing to do with how much money it made. Nothing at all. That was because People bought in here, they got excited when it started to fly and it went up to there. Just like everything, just like DWAC. DWAC is because Donald Trump protesters and supporters influenced the stock to rise up. DWAC's only value is the hype of Donald Trump. Why is Bitcoin going up today? Bitcoin's going up today because people are buying in. It has nothing to do with the price. Bitcoin hasn't changed. It's because people are buying in. SPCE touched $55. I think at one point it was $70. At one point I think it was $70. 3/4 of the way to $100. It hadn't even had a customer. So it has nothing to do with the customers and so on and so forth. Virgin Galactic will go up because it proves the point that it has a future. And that's what excites people. So price discovery goes up. Hang on. It needs to be... No, it doesn't. No, it doesn't. Company revenue dictates price. No, it doesn't. What dictates price is people buying it. Period. Tesla has done so well because it keeps expanding at a rate nobody could have imagined. Tesla, hang on a minute. Tesla has done well because Elon Musk created a new world of electric cars which nobody else wanted to touch because nobody else wanted to get involved in it. And when he was doing it, when he was creating all of that, everybody thought it was rubbish. Everybody was trying to talk him down, saying he was rubbish. What he was doing was rubbish. He had no idea what he was doing. Everyone, all the gas companies kept running him down, telling him what he was doing was terrible, saying he's taking money from the government. He should be bankrupt, blah, 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 blah. Why Elon Musk and Tesla have done so well is because Elon Musk stuck to his guns, he knew what he was doing, and he drove forward and he changed the world. Now, Elon Musk has built a great product, which he had a long time ago. But now people are buying it and believing it. And the thing is, people have been believing it for years. In Europe, in Amsterdam, Amsterdam has had a fleet of Teslas of all their taxis for years. Only now in America are people starting to realize it's a good idea. It's been a good idea for 5 years in Amsterdam. Why the price has gone up now is because people are now buying into it. And if your theory is right about profit dictates price and so on, then the reason why Virgin Galactic the reason why Tesla is so high right now is because everybody's bought back into it because now people feel they're missing out. And the stock price is going to grow into the value. I said it when Rivian came out. Rivian, everyone was excited about Rivian because of the trucks. And I said the trucks have nothing to do with it. No one cares about trucks outside of America. No one cares. What they should be caring about is Amazon driving up to the people's houses in an electric van. Everyone sees an Amazon van every day. And when they see electric vans turn up, they will want to buy an electric car. It's an advert. It's a commercial for Rivian. Everyone's buying Rivian because of the trucks. Oh, they've got this amazing truck. No one cares about the trucks. Only in America, mainly Texas, do people buy trucks. Nobody in Europe cares about a truck. England, China, Japan, Russia, they don't care about trucks. They care about Amazon. And that's the future. It was based on future revenue Yes, it's based on future revenue predictions. People are speculating of what they believe is going to happen, how big Tesla will be. It's not where it is today. The amount of Bitcoin being sold and bought dictates price, supply and demand. Totally agree with that as well. You don't realize this because you are buying IPOs without any revenue. I do realize that. I do realize Rivian is... I said from the beginning, I said right from the beginning, with Rivian, that Rivian is only worth $20 a share. You can go back and look on all my videos, and I said Rivian was only worth $20 a share. And on the day it came out, I bought and sold it 20 times. And we did a comparison between me buying Rivian and Dr. Nathan Smith, who bought in at the IPO price and didn't trade it. Dr. Smith bought in at, I think, $90 a share, and he's just holding it. Right now, he's out of the money. Right now, he's lost money. What I did, I bought here, sold here, bought here, sold here, bought here, sold here. I must have traded it 20 times. I made lots of money on it, but under no illusion did I think Rivian was worth all this money. $170 it went to. What has that got to do with the revenue? At this point, they hadn't even got any cars out. Nothing to do with it. It's to do with people's excitement and hype, and I just bought into that and made money out of it. So even though my portfolio is down like it is today, I've got 10 times the amount of shares right now, and I've bought in all these shares, and when they pop up again, I'm going to be in the money. And that's it. Rivian is an idea for the future, and its biggest asset is its Amazon contract, which could go away in 5 minutes. They've already started buying trucks from other people. I think is it ISIS or someone? I can't remember now. Duchak said he bought Tesla. He didn't create it, but he has changed it in something special. That's right. He bought Tesla. He didn't create it, but he changed it into something else. Okay. But he brought EVs to the market. That's what I mean by that. This market is like no other. Anything previously to 2020 was based on fundamentals, on price discovery. The only thing I can compare the current casino type environment is the 1990s tech bubble. Very interesting times. Great show, by the way, mine. Well, I would... Market Profit, where are you in the world? I'd love to meet you. I'd love to meet you. At the end of the day, listen to one thing. I don't know nothing. What do I know? All I am is a guy. I'm good at singing. Elton John said so, right? I'm the world piano man. This is my studio. This is what I've created. This is what I've done. It's all been paid for. There's no debt. There's no loans. There's no, no one's helped me. No one's funded me. No one's given me. I've had no handout from the government. I've supported myself since I was 16 years of age. I came from nothing. I had nothing, and I've still got nothing. This is it. This is my life savings. If this goes to zero, and it could, and I'll tell you now, I was really surprised the other day. I'll tell you one thing I've learned, and I was really, really surprised. Really surprised. I thought when I got to 58,000, I thought I was so far ahead from where I was. If I dropped to 50, that would be the lowest I could ever go. And the reason why I say that is, if you look at the markets of the world in history, they go up and they ripple and ripple, but they always go up. Over time, they go up. They never, even when the markets crashed in 2000, when was it, 2008, whatever it was, and all those things, they always rebound and they bounce back, and they don't drop to zero. Individual companies do, of course, but overall, they don't. And I thought once I hit 58, the lowest I'd ever go would be 50. I never imagined I would be down here. So what do I know? But I'm holding my course. I'm on my own. I'm doing my own thing. I might be right. I might be wrong. I've no bloody idea. But I keep on going. I keep doing my thing and hope it all works out. And if it doesn't work out and all this goes to zero, it's okay. I've still got enough money to pay the bills. I've still got my house. and I'll just sit here and I'll talk on YouTube with no money. And as long as I have a handful of members who support me, that will pay the electric bill and that'll keep it going. And who knows? Who knows? Who knows what the world's going to bring tomorrow? No one does, do they? No one does. Right, Rivian's going down again now. Brilliant. So I'm going to buy back again and do it again. I made, 75 cents a minute ago? I'll do it again now. So let's do it again. $128 now. So let's go back to Rivian. And I bought here and sold here. I didn't sell there, unfortunately. I just sold about here. Very interesting. Great show, by the way. Well, thanks ever so much from Canada. Well, I hope you have a fun personality. I could drink a pint with a fella like you. Well, there we go, mate. I appreciate it. You obviously know a lot more technically about stocks and shares than me, and I think everybody does. Doesn't everyone know more about this than I do? I don't know. All I am really is the guy that brings a YouTube channel together, brings the community together, and we all support each other. That's all I do. That's all I do. And I learn from you. And in fact, I made $1,000 on Lucid, and that was from John Brunette, one of our members. I've made money. All my stocks I've made from you guys suggesting ideas and making me think about everything. But everyone can't sing like Elton. I can do lots of voices, actually. I don't know if you knew that. I do 14 different voices. Elton John's only one of them. I do about 14 different voices. Right, now we're now falling back now. And we've managed to take some money out of the market today. So again, even though my portfolio is falling down, I've got more stocks, more value built into it. Just the price. The price is just the people. The price is the people at home pressing the buttons. I've still got more shares. So I'm going to buy Rivian again in a minute. I'm going to buy Rivian again in a minute when it drops a bit lower. And I'm not looking at a chart. I'm not looking at, the moving averages and all of this stuff, the Fibonacci charts and God knows what else. I'm not looking at any of that because that is just a reflection of human behavior, and I don't need to know about that. I'm not interested in that. I'm just interested in what I feel, where the markets are going. And where the world is going. What we do as individuals. I mean, God, we get it wrong. For 2 years now, we've been fighting COVID. And we're no better off than we were 2 years ago, are we? Human beings, we make mistakes all the time. So, I don't know. Follow your heart. Do what you think. You've only got one life. Follow your own path. At least then you're true to yourself, right? If there's any advice I can give you, is take profits when you can and redeploy. I make 100%. I make 100%. I cash out at 50% and repeat. That's good. I like that. That's good. I do take profits. I do take profits. I bought, I mean, this morning, I don't borrow any money. I don't use any leverage. I don't have any, all this is cash. I bought 13 shares of Virgin Galactic this morning, not to invest for the future, just to trade. I bought 13 at $9.20, and I sold those 13 shares at $9.23. I made 75 cents, and I'm glad I did, because as we can see now, Virgin Galactic is falling back down again. So I made a profit. Eat, invest, cash out, repeat. That's it. That's it. Leverage and option will be the downfall of this market. Yes, but it will be great opportunity for us. When people borrow money, I never borrow money. I never borrow money. Never borrow money to do anything. I make money from money. This whole portfolio grew from $5,500 up to 58 on its own. Didn't put any more money in. And I did all that with $5,500. It was actually $5,000, and I put $500,000 in around. Sorry, I put $500 in around about here. But I won't buy. I won't put any more. I won't. If I put any more money in, I'll tell you. But right now, I'm not doing that. And I certainly won't borrow money. Leverage is terrible. Borrow money to make money. Now earn money and invest the money you've earned. Don't borrow money to make money. That's silly. And I agree. But I also agree it won't be the downfall of this market. It'll be the uprise of the market. Because when all the people that go bust borrowed money, those companies are still there. Tesla's still making cars. Virgin Galactic is still flying spaceships. If the market goes down, that's brilliant. I'll just buy some more. So people borrowing money, I should never do it. And when it goes down because of it, I'll be there to pick it up. Cash out and repeat. Eat, invest, cash out, repeat. I like that. Paul B. Up 6.8% right now. Nice one, Bill. Bill's been following me right from the very beginning. Ain't you, Bill? You've been there since the very beginning, mate. When we started this crazy journey, all those 5-6 months ago when we had no subscribers. And now we've got what we got now. We've got 1,969. Oh, we just gained another subscriber. 1,969. That's cool. I don't know why my subscribers aren't working. When someone subscribes, that's what's supposed to happen. And for some reason, it's not. I don't know why. It's really, really annoying. Let me copy that a minute. I'll reapply that. When someone subscribes, I'm supposed to get notified about it, and it's not doing it. I don't know why. That's what's supposed to happen. But anyway, we'll see. We'll see if it happens again. But we've gained a few more subscribers this morning, which is nice. Absolutely brilliant. Too many tests of it. That isn't what does it. Look, I'll show you. Look. Well, 1,969. Look at this. Look. There you go. 1,969. Absolutely brilliant. Oh, 1,968. Someone just unsubscribed to me live on the show. Look at that. That happens all the time. I noticed that. You gain one, you lose one. It's all the time. Look at that, look. Anyway. Yeah, you saw that live. I can't believe that. That happens all the time. You gain one, you lose one. Anyway. So, Tesla is up nearly 4% today. I'm nearly back in the money again. I've got a funny feeling because I'm seriously considering if I can get up 2% more in Tesla to sell my Tesla and buy it back again when it drops, because we keep getting these dips. And right now I keep losing out on Tesla. I'm seriously thinking about selling my Tesla when it pops up another 2% and then waiting for it to drop, because it keeps doing that every day. So far I'm still out $100, but I'm thinking I might do that. I want to get back into Lucid as well. Lucid was very, very good for me. Robinhood today 5.62. Let me bring a price alert. There we go. Price alert. Breaking news. Look at this. 5.83. Robinhood doing great today. It's 4.5% of my portfolio. Very, very nice. Doing very, very good. Now, tomorrow, folks, don't forget, tomorrow is the cash giveaway for all the members. If you are not a member, here is the all links button for all the free giveaways, the free stocks, the Discord group, all the shop, the merchandise, all of it. But here's the invitation to join, because tomorrow is the cash giveaway. We do it every Friday, and you voted that you wanted it, so to stay in the show. So tomorrow I'm going to bring that in for you. I'm back again. Duchak is back. Welcome, Duchak. Lovely to have you here. Thanks for being here. Love it. It's really funny when I gain a subscriber. Oh, and I've got... Someone did that for a laugh, didn't they? Who did that for a laugh? It was one of you guys. One of you guys just subscribed. I know it's one of you. One of you subscribed, unsubscribed. Dude, it was you. I knew it was. Look at that. It's gone back to 169 again. Oh, flipping heck. I saw it live on the screen. I thought that's funny, but it happens all the time though. But overall, we're growing. Oh, one night. Yeah, he's done it again. See, I can see it happening. That's Duchak. Duchak is playing silly buggers. Duchak, once you subscribed, it won't bring you back on the screen as a subscriber. Look, he's in and out. We can see it. It's going up and down like a flipping yo-yo. That's Duchak. He's played. There it goes again. Look, see? Look at that. Go on, Duchak. Do it again. Take it to 169. You'll see it go. Look, there it is. Look at that. That's Duchak. In and out and in and out. He's playing silly buggers. That's someone else now. Is it? Yep, someone else is playing silly buggers with me. All right. Anyway, Robinhood is pumping up. The overall portfolio now is up nearly 3%. Oil prices are skyrocketing right now. Do you trade commodities? No, I don't. Should I? Should I do that? I've never done it. My concern with oil is, I go with my gut, right? I go with what I believe is the future. Oil prices and gas prices are going to go up extortionate. With electric taking over, the price of gas is going to go up. That's obvious. As electric cars take over, which they will, gas prices will go up and up and up. I just don't have any interest in oil. I'm not a fan of it. It's not something I want for the environment. But should I? Yes, plenty of time for upside in oil prices. Which oil company would you buy in? Which oil market are you in? Which one should I look at? Let's have a look. So commodities. Pork bellies. What are you on about? What's that mean? Show more. I just trade Brent and crude. Okay, let's have a look. So should we go to Brent? Shall we look at Brent? I've never done it. Should I? United States Brent Oil Fund. Is it B&O? Is this the one? Is this the one you're looking at? It's a commodity, yep. Is this Brent? B-N-O? Is this the one? Let's have a look at it over the last 5 years. It dropped right off, no surprise there, and it's been pumping ever since. What's it done this year? I don't trade on Hood. It does not trade oil futures. Oh, it does not. Okay. All right. I need to look more into that then. I don't understand it. I don't fully get it. So I'm not just gonna buy something for the sake of it. I don't trade on Hood. It does not trade oil futures. Okay, that's something I've not done. I've not ever got in. I've not got involved in that. And the thing is, all my stocks is stuff I care about. All my stocks are things that I believe in and have like real faith in. I don't really have any interest or faith in oil. It's not something I want to see around forever. It's not something I believe in. I believe the world is going away from oil. So why would I invest in it? Don't get me wrong. I'm sure it can make money. But fundamentally, it's not really what I believe in. Rivian, okay. Here we go. Let's see if I can do it again. Right, here we go. Let's go to my buying power right now. I've got $128. Rivian. $128. Have a look. 67. Oh, there we go. 67.92. 60. Right, okay. Shares. One share of Rivian. Hang on. 68. I want to go to 67. $67. Ready to buy another one? Any spare cash, Martin? You should really take a hard look at CRO coin. That is going to make you good money over the next few years. Their target is to flip Binance, and they will. Let me discuss that in a second. 67.98. What did I do it for last time? 67.92. Ready? Ready to buy one? Review order. Whoops, hang on, that's wrong. Buy, I meant to buy one, not sell one. Right. 67.92. 67.95. 67.99. $67, there you go. 67.86. Just bought another one. So now I have Rivian, one share at. Now the point is, as I progress, these numbers will get greater. Even though I'm just doing small amounts, I will do it for bigger. I'm only buying one share. I'll buy 100 shares, 1,000 shares. The principles will be the same. So I just bought that one at, what did I buy it at? I bought it at 67.86. Okay, 67.86. 67.86. Okay, so now I want to sell shares. One. Lower my averages all the time. 67.86. Okay. It's just all. I'm just practicing my strategies for doing this, and at the end of the day, it'll get bigger and bigger as time goes by. When I have more money out of Virgin Galactic, I won't be buying one shares. I'll be doing 100 shares like this. So 67, 67.86. So get ready to sell another one. Okay, get ready to sell this one again. Review order. And if we can get it to go to 6801. If we can get it to go to 6820. Where's it going to go next? $68.20. We're just watching that. I think we're going to get to fall again, so I want to quickly get out of it now and then come back again. $68.04. 68. Just want like 68.20, something like that. Let's discuss that Nikola point in a second. Anything above 68 now, because it's sort of looking like it's going to go down again. 68. I'm watching it very closely. 67, 68. Come on. Yeah, it's definitely trending down now, isn't it? What do you mean about Nikola? I don't know much about that stock. Please tell me what you mean by that. Put in the comments what you mean about Nikola. I'd love to know what you mean about that. Come on. My finger's getting tired. Sat over the mouse. $67.88. It's going to go down. I can feel it. I just want to get to 68. I won't even be greedy. And then I'll buy it again when it drops lower, because it looks like it's going to go lower again. There you go. 68. I got it. Right. Okay. So that's that one done. I just got it at 68. Perfect. So now I will Go to my portfolio. Inch by inch, inch by inch, inch by inch, I'm gaining all the time. 128, right. I've got 128 now. So come back to Rivian again. And get ready to buy. Get ready to buy one. And this time we want to go down to 67.86. And we'll do it again. Right, what did he say there? What did Market Profit say? I have a feeling Rivian will be the next Nikola. What do you mean by that? What do you mean by that? Try learning some charting techniques on TradingView. It really allows for you to see great buying opportunities and see trend lines. The next support I see for Rivian is 41. Okay, so TradingView. Let's have a look at that then. I do have that. Let me bring it in. So let's go. I am new to this. I will tell you. I will honestly tell you. I am new to it. TradingView. And let's look for charts. Okay. Here's TradingView. And we want... We're looking for Rivian. Let's type it in. And then you can discuss, you can talk me through this, if you wouldn't mind. Rivian. Okay, on the NASDAQ, that's what we're talking about. Rivian. Okay. Louis Cotterill. Hi there. Let's welcome Louis Cotterill. More important than anything else, let's welcome our new member, our new guest. We've got a guest here, Louis Cotterill. Look, I've got Market Profit. I've got up the chartlet that you were talking about. Right, here's the chart you were talking about. I'll bring it in there. That is the Rivian chart on TradingView. Talk me through that, and maybe we can learn. Louis Cotterill has just come on in. Let me welcome him to the screen. First of all, by saying hello and welcome. My name is Martyn Lucas, and I'm the day trader. Let you know, full disclosure, this is my TV studio. I'm actually voted by Elton John as the world piano man, and this is where I perform live music every night, trading live here in the studio. This is what I do here, and performing live music in the evening. And by the daytime, I like to trade here in my studio. And welcome to all my guests that have joined us today. We multi-stream. We're on 20 platforms at the same time, but our home is here on YouTube. And we welcome you to the show. Lovely to have you here. Right now, you are a guest of the family. We'd love to know where you're from. Let me bring in our overlays right now. Here we go. This is our main ticker. I'm from Cornwall in the United Kingdom, but my studio is here in Texas. And we've got a family of traders from all over the world who join us here live every day for the opening and closing bell. Lewis, where are you from, actually? If all my traders in the live chat could put where they're from. Market Profit is already welcoming you in. Market Profit is from Canada. And if you're interested and you like the content we provide here, what you see here is my journey. This is my money. From Bath, Somerset. I'm from Cornwall in Truro. That's where I'm from, and my studio's here in Texas. But there you go. If you subscribe and ring the bell, we'd love you to do that. Subscribe and ring the bell. There you go. And smash the like button. Help us grow on YouTube. We're brand new. We've only been around now about 5.5, 6 months. And everything you see here is real. I've grown this portfolio from $5,000 with no leverage, not borrowing any money, all the way up to 58,000. And in the last few months, we've had a huge correction, but we're now starting to improve again and grow back. Today, we've had a great day. I'm up nearly 3% today, over $1,200. Awesome. And this is my Bitcoin position. This is my Ethereum position. And this is my entire portfolio you're looking at here. And right now, we are trading with... we're looking for opportunity on Rivian. I've traded it 4 or 5 times today. My biggest position is SPCE, doing very, very well today. It's my biggest position. I've got 21% in it, but really, actually, I've got nearly 50% because I've been buying the dips and it's been going down and down and down. This is the one I think is going to make me more money than anything else. I'm a day trader, I'm a scalper, I'm a swing trader, but I'm also a long-term investor. But I'm not a financial advisor. This is just my journey. This is how I'm doing it, and I'm learning from everybody in the chat. And we could learn from you, Lewis. So welcome, welcome, welcome. If you want all the links, I've got lots of giveaways. Brokerages give me money to promote them, and I give it back to you. Here is the all links button. Check out all these free links that you can get: free stock, free crypto. I give more away than you give to me all the time. And we'd love to welcome you as a subscriber. And if you're interested and you'd like to be a member of the channel, you get lots of perks and benefits. So if you are a YouTuber and you want to promote your YouTube channel, my silver members and upwards get promoted in my YouTube channel, and I promote them and I help them get more subscribers, and they're on the homepage of my channel. And my members are in for the draw tomorrow. Tomorrow, every Friday, on the opening bell, we give away cash to my members. We have a draw, and here are some of the perks that you can get as a... Sorry, I meant to press this button here. As a member, you can get all these perks, plus more. YouTube only let me promote some of them. There are lots more than I can't show on the screen. There they are. And as a member, you get all those perks. Have a little look at that. And if you're interested, here is the link in the chat for you right now. Okay. Let me clear the perks. There we go. Right. Now then. Could all my members who are watching right now put in the chat where you're from? It's a bit quiet now. We've done an extended show. Most of my traders have gone for the day. They'll be back for the closing bell. We've gone on and carried on. And Lewis, I'm sorry, but not many of my traders can welcome you in. Market Profit can, and Paul B. If you could, in fact, Market Profit already has. Welcome, Lewis, to the channel. He's a guest right now. And... So, Market Profit says, to draw a trend line, you just pick a point with whatever moving average and time frame you want, and then drag down along the support line from the upper peak. So let's go back to it now. We're looking at Trading View, right? This is what I'm not really sure what you mean. So let's see if you can help me through this. There you are. Welcome, Lewis. There you go. Everyone's welcome you in. This is a very small channel, but what it is, it's a very engaging, supportive channel. Everybody here supports everyone, and that's how my portfolio has grown. So if you're over on TikTok right now, you're missing the main show. We're over on YouTube. That's where the main show is. If you want to be part of the main show, do come and join us on YouTube. The link's in the profile. So what do you mean? This is the Rivian Trading View chart. To draw a trend line, you just pick a point with whatever moving average and time frame you want, and then drag down along the support line from the upper peak. I have to admit, I've no idea what you're saying to me there. I have to be honest, it looks very confusing to me. It's much easier to learn if you watch it. Yes, I'll do that. I will do that. But anyway, there it is. There's my chart on Trading View right now. Sorry, I wasn't even sharing it with you. Sorry, I'll bring it up for you now. Here we go. Here it is. Here's the chart you were talking about. Market Profit. I will do that. There we go. Lewis has been welcomed in by Paul B. and Duchak and Market Profit. All welcomed you in. Okay. I will look into it. A lot of my traders have said I need to learn this stuff, and I will. I will take a look, and I will see how that actually works. But my feelings about it have always been the fact that This is saying, I just don't believe stocks know they're a pretty picture. I just believe, I mean, at the end of the day, I think it's important for me to learn it as a financial day trading channel, but I've tried to keep my channel real and honest and just my gut feeling of how I believe the future is going. And so far, it's worked very well for me, especially for your type of trading. You'd be amazed how accurate you can get on buy signals if you follow trend lines. Well, I think I need to learn it then. It's handy, another tool to use. It's not perfect, but can help. Okay. I see a lot of traders doing it. One thing I will say is I met a guy who does multi-million-dollar investing for big traders, who worked on the floor of the NASDAQ, one of the managers, one of the main prime people. And he said 95% of day traders lose money. He said it's incredible that you go just by feeling an emotion and you've grown this portfolio so much in such a short time from $5,500. He said that's incredible. He said your attitude of not borrowing money, of always being calm, of not being stressed, in going what you believe, going what you understand, obviously works for you. But I do think I need to add to my technical knowledge, technical skills, and all of you in the show certainly telling me that. So I'm going to keep my principles, but I think at the same time I need to learn this stuff. You're absolutely right, and I will do so. I think it's right to do so. So I will. I will do that. I just realised something a little bit there. I'm going to adjust that screen. Not to be rude, a hamster has picked better stocks than Berkshire Hathaway in the last 20 months. You could literally throw a dart at a wall and pick a winner. You're absolutely right. I understand what you're saying. I've looked into that theory, and you're right. One thing I have said, and I think this is true, I think you might agree with me, it's very, very easy to make money on the stock market. It's really, really, really easy. What's difficult is to keep the money. It's easy to make money. It's difficult to keep money, and I believe that because I should have kept my 58,000. I wish I, in hindsight now, which is a great thing, right? I wish I'd sold my entire portfolio at here. At 58,000, I wish I'd sold everything and then bought back down here. Of course I do. And I'd be stupid to say I don't. I wish I could have done that, but I didn't. But there you go. So, we've got Michael Williams has just joined us. How are you, Michael Williams? Lovely to have you here. Welcome to the party. More we can learn, especially with cryptocurrency, can only benefit our investment strategies. Absolutely, always learning, always listening. My entire portfolio has grown from all of you being here. It's easy to make money in a monetary expansion, but we are growing into financial tightening conditions. March will be telling how brutal it will be. Hello, Michael. Michael is a regular. Michael's one of the friends of the family. Michael is not yet a member. Michael, would you like to become a member of the channel? If you would, here is the link for you. We'd love to welcome you in as a member. And for those of you that are interested in the day trader NFTs, we have day trader NFTs that are going up in value as my YouTube channel grows. The NFTs are going up in value. There they are. Take a look. You might be interested in those. Also, if you're interested in any of the items from the shop, we have a great day trader shop. As you know, all our day traders, all our members have all their merchandise. And I'll share with you right now. Look at this. This is brilliant. You're going to love this. Let me clear the ticker. If you want to get like our members, let me share this with you. Look at this. These are all our fans. They've got the day trader mugs. They've got the, there's Dr. Nathan Smith. There's Robert Durant, look. There's Dave Mottram, he was in the show this morning. We've got Dave Mottram, there he is, Queen of Self-Braiding. She was here this morning. A lot of my trades have gone off now today. We normally have closed the show like an hour ago. We've done an extended show today. There's Genius over in England. There's Bill, he's got his mug. He's even got a face mask and a fleece as well. We've got Patty over there in Italy. She's got her mug. These are all our members. And, of course, tomorrow is the win day. Tomorrow we do, of course, the giveaway tomorrow. And we'll be doing the raffle. This is the raffle. Let me share with you the raffle. Here it is. Tomorrow we'll do the raffle, and one of you have to be a member and you have to be in the show tomorrow to win the cash prize. I do that every Friday. So hopefully you'll join us tomorrow for the big giveaway. One of the perks of being a member. Great stuff. All right, we're gonna wind up the show today. I'm going to learn more about the trading the trading view, the charts. And the trend lines. That's what you called it, isn't it? To draw a trend line. That's what I need to do. Hey, Julius Caesar. I hope everyone's feeling a lot better today. Julius Caesar and Dave Mottram is back. There we go. Some of my members have come back to the show. Dave Mottram, here he is, Moaning Dave. We got the big cash giveaway tomorrow, of course. We do that every Friday. You voted on it and said you needed it to be in the show. You like it. So that's going to be in the show tomorrow, of course. And with the help of Market Profit, we've just been learning about trend lines. Here is my trading view. I've just got this now. And we're looking at trend lines, and Market Profit has suggested that I go away and learn how this works. So I'm going to learn how this works and bring more technical analysis into the show. I know many of you wanted to see it, but so it's something I'm working on. It's not something I've been focused on, as you all know, but I am looking at it. We've had a great day today. Julius Caesar, we're up 3.11%. What do you think of Decreed? Ivar, we've got a new member. Sorry, we've got a guest to the family. There's Ivar this morning. Where are you from, Ivar? Where are you from? Let's welcome him in. A new guest of the family. If it's your first time here, consider subscribing. Here is the subscribe and ring the bell. And of course, the Netherlands. Oh, we got some friends in the Netherlands. Welcome, welcome. Are you a YouTuber? If so, if you are a member of my channel, this is another thing that we do. Our members are on the homepage of my YouTube channel. I put them as featured channels here. And we're growing all our members. We've got more. Here they are. And as they join, we put them on the homepage of our YouTube channel and we feature them. And every day when they're in, we drop their links into the live chat and we're getting them more and more subscribers. So if you are a YouTuber and you'd like to grow your YouTube channel, we can support that. We also give away crypto coin and we give away stocks and shares. And here are my all links buttons for any of those things. And if you become a member, you get lots and lots of perks. And the idea is this channel is here to support and help people and provide a community. And that's what we do here. Here is the invitation to join. Take a look at the perks and see what you think. Friday, one of the perks is the cash giveaway. And on Friday tomorrow, in the opening bell in the morning, we'll be giving away cash prizes. But do you know of Decreed? Oh, thank you very much. No, I've never used it. I've never invested in it. Let me see. Is it available here on Robinhood? Decreed. Is it a cryptocurrency? So it's not a stock. Let me have a look. Decreed. I've never heard of it. I have to be honest. Decreed. What is it? It sounds like a crypto. What is it? Decred. Sorry, I spelt it wrong. Decred. Let's have a look. What is it? Oh, I see. It's a crypto, right? Got it. I've just looked. Yep. No, I don't invest in that. The only crypto I invest in that I believe is valuable and reliable for the future is, I'll share with you, Ethereum and Bitcoin. For me, you don't need thousands of different types of crypto. The purpose of crypto is to bring the world together, become an asset, become a hedge against inflation, and be a currency for the world. I don't see any future in hundreds and hundreds of different types of crypto. I don't see any sense of that. All I see the sense in is having one ultimate coin. To me, that's Bitcoin. I'm also an investor in Ethereum. I do hold some other crypto because my traders wanted me to get some to demonstrate it and trade it for fun or whatever. But I see the rest of it as speculative gambling. I'm not a gambler. I've grown my portfolio from $5,500 up to $58,000 live here on the show in front of all of you by investing in what I believe is investments for the future, not gambling. I agree on you. I agree on your Bitcoin, Ethereum view. All the other coins are like scratch and wins. Totally. I mean, why do we need thousands and thousands of them? It's a lot of people have made money on it. I get it, but it's got no fundamental value. It's got no underlying principles. It can't sustain itself. It could all go to zero in a heartbeat. So for me, as an investment, remember my principle here. And my principle here is I want to be able to sleep, wake up in 10 years, when I want to retire, because I'm 52 now, I want to retire at 62, wake up in 10 years and go, right, my portfolio, without me trading, without me investing, without me doing anything at all, has made me the money that I can live on. And I believe my portfolio is exactly that. So at the end of the day, I am not investing in things that are speculative. You might say, well, you're investing in Virgin. No, I see Virgin as a total 100% asset and an investment because I know Richard Branson. I know what he's doing. I know where it's going. I know how people will get excited about this when we get the test flights, because they do. Every time we have a test flight, it pops up and it will do it again as soon as we get great news, and I'll be in it and I'll sell it on the way up. Right now, it's 21% of my portfolio. That's too large. Right there, look, you can see it. It's in reality, it's about 50% right now. It's only because it's dropped why it's 20%. But there you go, 21%. I won't be keeping it all the way up. I will keep some of it to make the big money, but most of it I will sell on the way up to protect my profits. So there you go, Ivor. I don't think you said where you're from, did you? Oh, Netherlands, yeah. So are you a YouTuber, Ivor? Are you a YouTuber? Would you like to grow your YouTube channel? I mean, that's one of the benefits you get from being a member of my channel. There you go. There's the invitation. Take a look at the all links button. We have a great Discord group as well. Very, very active. I know we're a small channel, but we are a really, really high engaging channel. And what you'll find is our members and subscribers come back every day to watch us every day. We're getting quiet now in the day because it's at the end of the day. And normally I've taken a break and come back for the closing bell. So I'm going to end the show pretty much now. We've gone on way too long today. I just wanted to stay with Rivian and see if I could trade it some more. And who knows? But I'm going to take a break now, I think. It's been a very, very long day. I'm just smiling there because my subscribers went to 1917, back down to 69. I keep doing that. I go 2 steps forward and 1 step back all the time. McDonald's is up today. Tesla is up 3.55. Rivian is dropping back again. I'm waiting for another chance to buy again. Virgin Galactic is up 6.7% today. Lucid, we're waiting for an opportunity to buy back into Lucid. Hood's doing very, very well, up 5.5% today. If I can get Rivian below... Oh, market profit. You never said about Nikola. You said Rivian's going to be the new Nikola. Let me have a look at... Let me have a look at it and see what you actually meant. Let's have a look. Oh, I see. Okay. This is what you're on about. 35, popped up to 65. Down and down and down. Okay. Zero emission transportation and infrastructure solutions. It designs and manufactures battery, electric and hydrogen electric vehicles. Okay, this is what you think it's going to do. I don't think so, but you may be right. You may be right. I want to thank all my TikTokers today. We are 11,500 followers now. Thank you ever so much for following me over on TikTok. Is Bitcoin really crashing? No, it's not. Not at all. Bitcoin is solid. It's my most solid asset. It's done more for me than anything else I've got. Nikola is a profitless company with big promises, with no execution in the end, and they had big backing from major. Right, I see where you're coming from. What do you think of BYDDY? Yeah, I think you have to be very careful with the EV space. Not all EVs are going to do well. I think Tesla is by far the greatest. I'm not looking to buy another one. My portfolio is very heavily based in EVs right now, so I'm not looking to do any more. Rivian. Right now I'm down on Rivian. I've made a lot of money on Rivian though. Not sure, haven't looked at that one. BYDDY, yeah, I'm not sure about it. Should we bring it on the screen and have a quick look? Let's go to... BYDD company. Here we go. BYD company. Okay, this is engages in the research, development, manufacture, and sale of rechargeable batteries and photovoltaic business. Okay, let's scroll out. I would be interested in your thoughts. I'm invested. There we go. I know nothing about this one. I'd need to research it. It's got a small dividend yield, which is unusual, isn't it? A company like that giving a dividend yield, that's interesting. It's had good growth though the last 5 years. Over the last year, 11%. Nothing great over the last year, but interesting nevertheless. Backed by Warren Buffett. Well, that always sounds great. And I did that. I remember my first stock, one of my first stocks was Berkshire Hathaway, and it was my worst performing stock. It did absolutely nothing. And I thought, well, it's doing nothing. I can make more money anywhere else. And that's what I did. I left. 3% up today. Worth adding to the list. Add it to the list. There we go. New ideas in support for Julius Caesar. I just looked. Those alternative charging companies have great future potential, but so many overpriced. But that seems to be the norm with almost every stock right now. I agree with that. Makes own batteries and chips, opening 6 battery factories in China this year. They produced the BAAD battery, which Ford uses. Nikola are well positioned to take advantage of the massive control China is gaining over lithium. I still wouldn't buy it though. No, I've got enough. I'm not going to touch it. I'm right on that. Feel right the same. Right. I've been saying for ages we're going to end the show. I have no idea why I've been ploughing on forever and ever and ever. I need to take a break. No question about it. But before I do though, I'm going to just wind up the show and bring everything back together. I want to just run one more ad though. So you can click this. 10 seconds. I'll be right back from now. There you go. There you go. You probably didn't see the ad anyway, but I just popped one in just in case. Anyway, that's for the replay more than anything else. Okay. Well, I'm going to wrap up the show today. It's been wonderful to be here. Sorry Blade battery. They are the safest batteries on the market at the moment. Oh, I think Julius Caesar mentioned that the other day. Very, very good point. But we are going to finish now. We're going to be back for the closing bell, of course, in a few hours from now. It's been a very long day. Caden Youngquist, Roko doing me good today. Caden Youngquist is over on TikTok. Hello, Caden. What are you doing over on TikTok? What's going on over there? Can't believe it. He's watching me on TikTok. There you go. Catch up soon. All right, guys. Thank you ever so much for being here. It's been a wonderful afternoon. Thanks for all being here. I appreciate you all very, very much. But it is time to take a short break. I've get out of this chair. I've been sat in this chair now since 7:30. Wow, 7, 8, 9, 10. What? Really? 7, 8, 9, 10. 4 hours I've been sat in this chair. Flipping hell. I hope it's made some money. Because, of course, tomorrow is the big cash giveaway. Giving away some money again tomorrow, as I do every day. Thanks for being here. Cheers, everybody. Take care of yourselves and each other.